Good morning, Tradeify Nation. Welcome back to another London session stream. It's Wednesday. Happy YT Wednesday, chat. Everyone put a YT Wednesday in the chat. Let's get it started. It's Wednesday, May 13th. So middle of the week, whether you've had a green start to the week or a negative start to the week, let's use middle of the week to keep it going. Now, yes, all has been revealed. I am an outlaw. Cat's out of the bag. I couldn't hide it a lot of you already knew, let's face it. A lot of you already assumed that I was an outlaw. So yes, here I am, guilty as charged. So I'm excited for Grand Cup. I'm even more excited because I could go head to head with one of you, and there is a 5K bounty up for grabs. So good luck, y'all, because I am coming for that cup. I'm excited. Grand Cup aside, though, I'm also excited to trade today. We have some volatility. We have some volume overnight from the Asia session that we'll get into. There was a bit of a drop yesterday in the New York session. We did get down below 28,000. So interesting to see. I don't think this is the Bears taking control. I think the Bulls are definitely back. And I think we will see new all-time highs made today. But regardless of the charts, I hope everyone is ready to kill it today. I hope everyone's had an amazing day and has crushed it in on or off the charts, just having a great day in general. And let's kill it for the next 3 hours. So who do we have here? Let me just quickly see. Good morning, 10 lots. Good morning, Vesu. Good morning, Loving Nature Guy. Good morning, Miss Giffo. Good morning, Wick Sweeper. Diamonds here. Sarab. Good morning, Andrea. Good morning. Good morning, Balaji. Good morning, G for Geo. Isaac. Good morning, Jan. Who else? Online shopping's here. And Gia, good morning. Capacful. Good morning. AG Trader. Yannick. Bashi Trades is here. Dean, good morning. I am Manu Mouse. Good morning. Good morning to you all. Lulu, the Riaz, all of you guys, amazing. Love seeing you guys here early. The same names as usual. I will get straight into it. Frankfurt is open. We're 2 minutes into the Frankfurt Open now. And let's see what we can find. This is NQ as normal. And then I will do my rundown and throw it to you guys. You can let me know if you're in any trades as per usual. We can talk about the charts, and then we can just talk about the Grand Cup in general, because I know everyone wants to know. Yes, chat says, good morning, Outlaw. Yes, Cat is out the bag. So let's get straight into this. So just taking a look back, let's talk about the New York session. So I don't know if any of you guys traded this. I didn't, but we had a little bit of a steep decline here on NQ. So we did drop back below 29,000. That previous day low is now sitting at 28,742. So quite a drop there from what we were seeing. I mean, every single other day for the past few weeks has been breaking new all-time highs. And yesterday we didn't manage to do that. We had that whole range on the day yesterday was quite a large one, 713 points. So yeah, compared to the day before, that was quite a large range day. But I do like how we're reacting. This is the daily time frame, and this is the bullish gap that I was talking about yesterday. I wanted to see us tap into this, but respect holding the midpoint of this gap. So we did retrace quite deeply into this gap. We almost took out that low sitting down here at 28,540, but in the end we managed to buy this back up, and because of that I'm still leaning bullish. So unless this got inverted and we were closing below this swing point down here, then I would probably flip towards a bit more of a bearish bias here, but I am still bullish all the way. I think bulls are back in control. Seeing this nice rejection and this buying wick being left behind in the bullish FVG here on the daily. I love this. I love this sort of price action. This tells me we also have previous day high sitting at 29,455.75, and then the current all-time high sitting at 29,480 to the tick, just a slightly above there. Those are definitely targets to the upside I'm looking at for today. Yes, so definitely bullish bias based on that. But as you can see, as we drop down here, that bearish drop there was the New York high, which was sitting at 29,296.00, and we have just taken out that. So that's New York high, this level here. We've just taken out that level. as well as Asia high has also now been swept. So what I'm looking for is potentially a pullback London session today, which is normally what I'm looking for, yes. But based on this bullish move that we had from the Asia Open, I am looking for us to retrace a bit of this move and then continue to the upside come the New York session. So right now we are working with a 210 point roughly Asia range, and I think that is a significant range we could potentially pull back into after sweeping this previous 4-hour high, and we have already swept out that New York high and Asia high. So I like all these levels aligning. I like that we are getting up into these high levels already, and I think we're due for a pullback. I do. I will only short though if it is a plus setup. As you guys know, I will need that alignment from the 15-minute time frame as well. But we'll see what we can get. Not going to force my will on the markets as usual, guys. I'm just going to let price do its thing. But wants to just, keep ripping here, and the bulls are just taking full control back. And if we are really going to go for that previous day high in the London session, by all means, NQ, ride it. Like, if you guys are already in these longs, I don't hate it. But for me, the way I look at this is we are due to have a pullback. So a bit of something like this. I keep saying this word pullback, but for those who don't know, I am looking for, when I say pullback, I mean just a little bit of retracement back into this bullish leg. So this is like Asia low here. You got Asia high up here, and there hasn't been, this is the hourly, and I'm just wanting us to pull back a little bit into this range. We have an unfilled 1 hour gap that could potentially be a nice draw on price here, but then expect to see a wick and bullish price action to recover and go all the way, shoot for that previous day high and even the all-time highs, honestly. Seeing that bearish drop in the New York session did have me thinking maybe this is the turn. Maybe this is what all the bears have been waiting for, but considering that we just bought that whole thing back up, I mean, looking at these gaps being absolutely completely inverted here. So that one gap and then this strong bullish candle at 3 in the afternoon yesterday in New York, like there is just only strength here on NQ. So I think we remain bullish. I think that was just a bit of a natural sell-off we were talking about yesterday, like expecting for there to be some sort of drop, but maybe that's all the bears have. Looks like it anyway, because we are continuing to pump to the upside. So let me know, chat, are you in the longs right now? Are you in shorts? Scared if you are right now, because we are showing only bullish intent here right now on the NQ. But let me know, where are you looking to take those longs to? If you are in longs, have you taken profit? Yeah. And let's see what the session gives us. Who do we have? Ancient acronym PDH instead. All-time highs. Good to see old words used again. What? I always use those acronyms on my chart. TF changes and NQ doesn't give pullback. I mean, it does. It definitely does. I mean, it depends what you call a pullback, but the NQ doesn't just rip. I mean, at least not forever. By the way, yes, we're doing a giveaway. So as per usual, the like count is in 2 parts. So the first like goal is to get Nick on, and the second like goal is to do the first giveaway. So we smashed the likes yesterday. I'm going to say 430 likes to do the first giveaway, and we'll say 315 likes to bring Nick on. I think it's easily done. I'm only upping it a little bit. So let me just think. Yeah, 315 to bring Nick on and 430 to do the giveaway. Let's do it. Graphene, just buy and you'll never... I mean, Graphene, you're not wrong. Also, what the hell was that CPI yesterday? To those who trade CPI, that was one shitty CPI. Probably the worst. The worst I've seen. CPI just dead. I don't know. Don't know. Also, I think with the Strait of Hormuz still having the blockade and disruption to oil coming and going there from the Strait, we are seeing oil still trade above 100. So, still haven't got any outcome, a stable outcome anyway, in the US-Iran field, but hopefully we can get to some peace deal or some answer there, so we know where we are roughly. But right now we are, I mean, continuing to pump here in NQ. Yesterday was the first day that we haven't broken a new all-time high for a while. Every other day we just kept ripping, and yesterday was that natural, I think, fluctuation in price where we just drop a little bit. Investors have to sell off there and gain their profits at some stage. So that could have been that, and here comes a continuation, I'd say. But we never know. NQ can still drop and just dump whenever it wants. Tiago says, passed one of my evals for the first time since 2024. That is a huge achievement. Wow. To be on a 2-year cold streak and then pass that first eval, that is an incredible achievement. So well done to you and keep it up. Loving Nature Guy says NQ will go for retracement first, then it can go upside. That's what I'm hoping to see anyway, but it could just keep ripping here. It could keep heading for that previous day high without a significant retracement, and that is okay. I would hope to get on that retracement, but if it's not going to provide it, I'm not going to be married to any sort of bias, and I'm just going to watch it do its thing without me. G'day, C Money. Good morning, Initial Maverick. Boundless probably says, yeah, the new CPI are the Trump tweets for sure. It certainly seems like that. Because that CPI candle was dead. Serap says, made a good decision by taking day off yesterday. Today I'm long with 5 micros in ES, 12 points already in hand, target all-time high and beyond. Because we are a holder. Hell yeah, Serap. You've been killing it. I mean, perfect day to take off yesterday. And then perfect day to get back on the charts and ride the longs. Radish Gaming, we are in a bearish GP Colleen. Oh, we're not going to make the Colleen name stick, are we? Please, no. But yeah, okay, well, there you go. We are in a bearish GP. To those who trade the GP, I don't, but if it's GP levels, even better, because this is where I'm trying to short from. So we just swept out previous 4-hour high. Looking now for a reaction there aligned with the 15-minute time frame, which we are getting currently. But we'll see. I need a bearish reaction off this sweep. Otherwise, if it just wants to pump, then I'm not gonna even try. Kefa says, blew my funded yesterday. My slip. Stupid mistake. What happened? No. Online shopping blew my 50k funded, thinking I was Dow Jones himself the past 2 days. We back green today though. Damn. Well, that went sad to then good. So I'm glad you guys who are blowing fundeds are able to get back into the green. I mean, it happens, but if you guys are disciplined enough to get back in and try again, that's all that matters. And then on the flip side, we got Trader Sue. I passed my eval yesterday after 2 months. Hell yeah. 2 months is a great achievement. I mean, it's interesting, like you will see people online like pass it in a day, pass it in a candle, but there are other people that will trade the eval properly and trade it like a funded account with the discipline needed to be a consistent trader and pass in 2 months. I think that's a great achievement. Really solid. I myself have traded on an eval for 3 to 4 weeks. I've shown that on stream before passing. So all the yeah, great achievement. Mario Kart King Brandon, hello. Took a short here at 3:15. All right, let's see, Brandon. For me, myself, this is a little early for me. I need to see that bearish reaction to be convinced of the bears coming in here. But, I mean, for some, this is a GP level. No, Kafas has traded mini thinking it was micro. Damn, chest pains. Oh, I hate that. That has happened to me countless times. You guys have seen it on stream. Oh, there is no worse feeling. And that moment you realize too late, I mean, you could have technically closed the trade. Just depends when you've realized, like, if it's just, 10 minutes into the trade and you're just in that drawdown, you just gotta, it is what it is. It is what it is. Trump is sleeping. Yes, he is. I mean, who knows, actually. I hope he's sleeping. Lesson learned, never trade CPI. I mean, not going to say never trade CPI, but yesterday's definitely wasn't eventful. Graphene, wait, no Nick today? Absolutely there will be Nick today, of course. But we need the like all to be smashed. And I said, I'm going to forget it again. What did I say? 315 likes to bring Nick on. And we'll do it fair and square. We will bring Nick on. And then 425 likes and we'll do a giveaway. The first giveaway. That one is got to be Demetrio. He says, hello, Celine. Are you going to trade NQ in London session? I never did it, and I would like to know pros and cons about trading NQ in London session. Thanks a lot. Yes, interesting question, because I only started trading NQ in the London session specifically like maybe almost 8 months to a year ago. I only used to ever look at it. Oh, look at that. We are just continuing to pump there. Brandon, or those who are in shorts, look out. But yeah, I only started to look at it because I was of the belief that NQ just shouldn't and really can't move in the London session until the New York Stock Exchange is open. But to my surprise, after doing back testing and reading and watching the sessions, I was noticing there were clean plays in the London session. It's a little different. It's definitely not as, I would say, like New York tends to be that expansion session, and London, it can be sometimes a bit of consolidation, but a lot of the time the pullback session or the retracement back into Asia's range sort of session. So for a reversal trader, I find it great. I find clean setups in the London, and I do find these days it's a cleaner session to trade than the New York session. I must say, New York has been just some days going nowhere or just going straight up or straight down. So it's just a bit of, for me, being a reversal trader, those breakout days aren't my best because I'm looking for that reversal, but sometimes it just wants to pump or dump. So I find the London session suited best to my style these days. Sarab says Khaleesi fits better name for Celine. Let's call her Khaleesi and not Colleen. What the hell is Khaleesi? Make it make sense. Capashful says, we will get back to the grind though. The setback is what first I want to let go. Psychologically, I was cut deep. Oh yeah. I mean, there is nothing worse than blowing fundeds and evals and all of it. But you will get back. You will get back. You just have to focus on the process. We talk about this all the time. It is about the process and just fixing those mistakes. You know, trading minis instead of micros. If it's burnt you, you won't do it again. And I say that, and I've definitely made that mistake multiple times. I'm working on it, being focused when I'm executing. But just make sure you are, learning from the mistakes, picking up where the errors are and the gaps in your trading, and then you will improve. But sometimes it's unfortunate. Very clean in the London session. Online shopping, yeah. It has been much cleaner. I will agree with that. I'm American and NY gets wild if you don't know what you're doing. For sure. I mean, there was a time when I first started trading, NY session was clean to trade. Sweeper London low, reversal, 10 a.m. reversal. But, I mean, not so much anymore these days. I think it's got a lot to do with America waking up, Trump being awake, Trump tweets, war, like everything happens when America's awake these days. So I haven't been able to trade, and it, like, honestly, it fits well because I'm in Australia right now, so I'm actually not even awake at those hours to be trading the New York session. So it's all good. I haven't missed out on much. Oh, my bottle just spat out water at me. That was fun. Peter says, seems like no trade today again. Not going to catch on going to catch up on 30,000 run. 30,000 run. Oh, you think we're running up there? Like in the London session right now, I would be shocked, but 30,000 as the next level very soon. That's my guess anyway. I think yesterday was just that small pullback we were naturally awaiting to see on NQ. One bearish candle close, but that's it. I think that's all the bears have here, and I think we're just going to continue to break new all-time highs. Russell says, wow, market only goes higher, it seems. Yeah, and it did try to go lower yesterday. That New York session was a dump. It did sell off, but not long after, PM woke up and we just bought right back up. And that New York high just got swept now. And that hourly right now is just a continuation. We've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the 7th bullish hourly candle close if we close here bullish. So it's looking pretty green on the NQ today. What's the time in your place right now? It is 4:19 p.m. in Melbourne right now. Andrea, how is the weather down under, Celine? Weather is good. Weather actually was really cold last week. You guys saw I was like almost getting sick there. Do I like this position? I don't like the 5-minute. 15-minute looks good there. Ooh. I might actually sell this. Andrea, sorry to answer your question. Weather is warm this week, so it's like 25, really nice this week, which is strange for Melbourne because we're meant to be getting into our winter weather. And last week was cold, but this week seems warm, and that's sort of what you expect though in Melbourne. All right, I'm entering a sell if we get this inversion here. Let's see. That's the bearish reaction I'm looking for. Let's see where we close. We'll have a 1-to-1 there. Might put this candle. Okay. Order is in. Oh, guys. I'm on. Oh my gosh. I'm on micros. No. Okay. I'm on micros. I just need to enter this. All right. Now I'm on minis. I need to close the micro position. This is the trade. I will take a partial at 1-to-1. Let's see if we can get this drop. All right, the minis are off. Just gonna set the stop. And 1-to-1 is at 289.75 will be that first. 289. All right. And then I guess for targets to the downside here, what I'm looking at is a retracement definitely back into, if we can get into Asia's range here, I would like to target this previous 4-hour low. There are also these two relatively equal lows. You know, I love when price looks smooth like this. I'm looking for these levels as targets to get swept out. So that level is 29,201 if we can get all the way down there. But if it gets to that 1-to-1 level, I am taking that partial and going break even, and then NQ can do whatever it likes after that. But we will just hold a contract 201.75 about there. All right. Orders are on. Now I will just let this trade do its thing. It's either going to stop me out and we are wrong, or it's going to drop to that 290 level, take a partial, and then break even. And then it can still go up and we can be wrong. How is chat doing? All right, what did I miss? Celine, are you saying Melbourne? Yes, I'm saying Melbourne. Did I say something else? Maybe my accent isn't so clear. Peter says, no, sell, please. You'll be liquidity to run higher. Hopefully not, Peter. Pray for me. Graphene says, took profit on previous day high. Marika King. Oh, Brandon, I always forget to call you by your actual name. Added at 350, looking for 260. Okay, nice. Nice short there, Brandon. So you were in this short still as it was ripping up and adding in. So very nice. Nice management there. Amir, this is not on fundeds. No, I did take the second trade yesterday on fundeds, but this I'm taking with the evals. Sahid, what is the logic behind this trade? Okay, so reason I'm in this trade is because right now, what I was telling you guys I was looking for was a sweep at the previous 4-hour high. 4-hour candle currently has a little down wick, but not much significantly. I think we can still just distribute to the downside based on that. We've also swept out that New York high level as well as Asia high. So once that got swept, I am awaiting some form of retracement back into this Asia range. And this entire leg, I just think we have gone high enough. We are pretty extended here. We have swept out some key levels where you would expect stops to be a place, like that New York high. Asia high has been swept. Previous 4-hour high has now been swept as well. And then instead of just shorting in the middle of nowhere, I have waited for an alignment with the 15-minute time frame. So once that previous 15-minute high had been swept, it also had no bottom wick on it at the time I was entering the trade. So it did look nice for a short there, based on like the PO3 idea that, you know, if I'm bearish, I'd want to see the 15-minute wick up, be that manipulation, and then distribute to the downside and getting that short there. So the reason I was in at that minute was the inversion set up on the 1 minute. So it's aligned between the 4 hour and the 15, and then waiting for a reaction, a bearish reaction like this on the 1 minute. So that displacement candle there at 220 was the reason I entered. And I just entered a little late. So I did have a bit of a shit of feel there because I entered on micros, as we were saying before. And a guy blew his account here because he was trading the wrong chart. But here I am making that same mistake I said I've learnt from, and clearly not. So yes, got a shit of feel there as I entered on micros. But that is a trade. The logic is there. Bushwookie, Celine is an outlaw, isn't she? Didn't we bet at 50k lightning, Miss Celine? Don't know about that. Don't know about that, Bushwookie. Amir said there was an SMT. I missed it. Oh, these damn SMTs. Let's bring up ES. What did we get? I didn't see the SMT. I mean, they both have swept that 15-minute high and that previous 4-hour high as well on... Oh, I see. NQ did sweep its Asia high and ES hasn't. So that could be potentially a reason we could start to see a drop there. So that works for us. We like that. Oh, and here I am looking at gold. Guys, am I awake today? I'm clearly not awake. I was just looking at gold. All right. So yeah, I don't really see the SMT there with the ES swept its previous 4-hour high. NQ also, its 15-minute high also. Previous day high still intact. But let's see. This trade can still stop us out. Diamond Zia said, yeah, I love a deep retracement after my sweep. I love this sell. Oh, after NY sweep. Yeah, that is exactly why I like it even more, as well as I use the 4-hour candle. But when we have a key level, like a New York high, and we don't always, it doesn't always work like this, but I feel like when we have a key level like that, New York high or an Asia session high, or if we are tapping into a high time frame like a 4-hour bearish gap, it does help the trade. I feel like it is a stronger bearish reaction off those levels. So it just makes up a cleaner trade, but it doesn't mean it has to work in our favor. We can only hope. Sarab says, Celine, you missed my chat. Did I? Let me check. There are so many comments, Sarab. I just... like, it seems easy, but this really isn't. I'm trying to execute here and read the chat, so give me a second. Let me try get to your comment. What did you say? You said Khaleesi ever watched Game of Thrones? Google Khaleesi. Oh, you were talking about Khaleesi. Okay, yes, because I didn't get the Khaleesi comment, so I will search Game of Thrones. Khaleesi. Oh, wait, the blonde girl? Is it this? Is this who you guys are saying I'm named after? Khaleesi? Because we don't look anything alike. Like, not one bit. She's literally a blonde. That's funny. All right, Anki, are we going to go anywhere, or like, what are we doing here? Oh, as I said, I named my daughter Khaleesi. That's such... It is a pretty name. It is a pretty name. She's the mother of dragons. Wow, that sounds sick. I want to be a mother of dragons. So striking a retest of the 4-hour high as support here is going to be the key for your trade. Fingers crossed. Hell yeah. Everyone cross your fingers for this trade. No, Balaji, I didn't watch Game of Thrones. I know, guys, don't come for me, but it was too late. I'd already seen so many spoilers on social media. I was like, there's just no point getting into this show now. I know who dies. Shadow says, is NQ coming back down, you think? Well, the reason I'm in this short is because, yes, I do think for a small time frame, we should see a bit of a pullback here. We are extended on NQ. We have continued this pump from basically that beginning of Asia, and I've continued this grind to the upside, but I am expecting, based on our time frame here, a bit of a stronger pullback based on New York high having it been swept, the Asia high being swept out, and the hourly having an hourly bullish gap that hasn't been tapped yet. So I would like us to retrace even lower than where my TP1 is. Like, I do expect us to get even lower than that, but I am taking a partial at that TP1 level just so to take some profits off and go break even on the rest, because it can, I know, do whatever it wants to do. Yes, Khaleesi means queen. I don't say you look like her. I say your name rhymes with Khaleesi. Okay, that makes sense. Hey, Ursula, what's going on? Diamond Z says it might want to fill that small gap first. It could definitely. I want to see the bearish continuation here. I don't want it to be, I mean, we have left this nice wick on the hourly. I wouldn't want it to be going back up to break its high. So that's why my stop is there. I'm happy with the stop there. If it wants to get bought back all the way up, break its new high on this hourly, then I'm most likely wrong about the trade. So stop is in place. Happy where my stop is. If the trade's wrong, it's wrong. Andre says, yes, finally someone who never watched that, never got the hype for it. Looks pretty lame for me. Well, yeah, I think for me, I'm not gonna lie, I did try watch it, but it was very slow. And I know there was a lot by the time I started to get into it, like there was so many seasons already out, so many episodes, and at the time I was like, I don't really have time for this. So I just stopped. And yeah, I ended up seeing a lot of it spoiled online anyway, like I said. So there was no point wasting my time on that. But something I did get obsessed with watching was Suits. If anyone watched Suits, I watched that whole thing. Love that show. Online shopping says it's going to consolidate right at your entry scene and then break and stop you out. No, don't say that. Online shopping, can you tell the future? If so, can you tell NQ to drop here? Russell says we have the same trade. Slee, my rules are different but triggered pretty much exactly the same trade. Nice. That is interesting to know, Russell. What are the rules you use to get in? Why are you in the shorts? By the way, is anyone in shorts? People in longs? I want to know. Actually, Roman, let's get a poll happening. How is everyone, like, what does everyone think for the London session today, that is? So, bullish or bearish? Let's see. Twaffy, she's going up. Let's see. I mean, after we had this displaced candle here at 220, you'd want to see continuation out to the downside, not this sort of consolidation that we're in right now. So, gotta admit, don't like when we consolidate just as I enter. Never feels good. Amia, don't be negative to Celine trade. She never gambles unless she's lost once. Amia, no, I never gamble. Only when there's a little bit of drawdown left, I might go for that, Hail Mary sort of trade. But you won't find me gambling much on here. All right, that's sick. Roman's put a poll up, so I want everyone to go and vote whether they think London session is bullish or bearish. You all know what I'm going to click. Go on, put your votes in. I want to see where the chat's at. If we're all over the place, if it's 50-50, I might even close the trade. I don't like when we're not in sync, chat. London bullish, New York bearish. Fabio, I'm the opposite. I see London bearish, New York bullish. So that's interesting. Bearish because we had a consolidation in Asia session. Well, lead, I don't see Asia as the consolidation. I mean, Asia moved. Look at this. That blue box that you see on my chart is the Asia session from 8 to midnight, because that's the hours that I trade, the kill zone. I mean, that's hella bullish to me. I don't see the consolidation there. From that low there to the high is 210 point move to the upside. That is not a consolidating Asia range. That's funny. It's also creating a 4-hour FVG if price holds. Wait, what? I don't even know what that means. This guy in the chat. He is such a Nile. Oh, he's the I Fade Celine guy. Dude, you don't have to come here if you don't like our trading or my trading. Let's put him in timeout because he's just... There we go. That's a 24-hour ban. Come back with a better attitude. I don't know. These guys, Amia, I know. Don't even bother. Laxman Luke says, hi, Selena. Back to love you. Thank you. Thank you for the love. Shadow Moore, she's obviously profiting right now. I know. The guy, he will come and say whatever he wants. Whether the trade was in profit or not in profit, that guy just is having a bad day. Boundless. All good, Boundless. I got to it. Marcus says years ago. Oh, Marcus, you changed your name back. Huge day for you, Marcus. You finally reclaimed the name. He says, years ago I watched an Australian TV show, Love Me. Have you seen it? No. What is that? Janji says, some people really need a therapy. No, for real. Like, I don't understand people who come into other streams and like, is he even a trader? Because whenever he comes in here, he says something stupid and like some sort of hate comment, and then that's it. He doesn't talk about trading ever. I don't understand why people do that. But yeah. Wagsgram says it's manipulation now and should distribute to the downside is my guess only. Hopefully lol. Hopefully lol is the key. We hope. I mean, it's an A+ setup in my model, so I'm happy to be in this trade right now. Ursula said, Celine, you asked yesterday's chat, when have I lied to you? Yesterday you outlaw you. All right, Ursula, I apologize, guys. I couldn't spoil it, and I knew you were gonna see it anyway. There was no point lying in the end, but I wanted to hide it for as long as I could. So, yes, cat's out of the bag. I am an outlaw, so look out, guys. Look out. And who knows, I'm going to be trading a different way when it comes to the Grand Cup. You know, you got to change things up. But I won't be trading that account on stream. There is no way, especially if I'm head-to-head with one of you. So, look out. Diamonds, yeah, I'm just trying to take me cells and follow my rules and trade watching Celine do her thing. I love that. I appreciate you guys here with the positive comments. There is just always annoyingly one guy has to enter the chat and just make it negative in here, but we're not here for that. We're here for the positivity. I mean, I said I knew it. I said it several times. Austin, I knew it. Yeah, but what do you want me to like... Although you guys were guessing, I wasn't going to just admit it. Okay, fine, you got me. I had to wait for the promo to come out. So anyway, it's out now. And I didn't have to lie about it anymore. And we won't be talking strategy, that's for sure. Are you taking low to the hour one, the 1 hour FVG? I am hoping we drop as far as the 1 hourly. Here, this gap I drew up before is where I'm looking for us to potentially react in, because we haven't tapped this hourly bullish gap yet. So I like that. We have swept out this high here is Asia high, key swing high. Asia high. That is New York high, sorry. That is a key swing high here on the hourly chart. And also sweep a previous 4 hour high and Asia high. So I'm looking for that retracement move after breaking these levels. But we'll see. Anything can happen. It is an A+ setup though. Black Tackle Celine, I saw your outlaw introduction video and you look so pretty there. Okay, thank you. I appreciate it. But I gotta say, like, I don't think it looks 100% accurate. I gotta say. Where is Nick? I can make that voice without AI, lol. Oh, that's funny. 10 lots is not sure if I can trust you ever again. Okay, 10 lots, you have to know that I would never lie to you guys unless it was something like that. Okay, chat? I'm not going to ever lie to you again. For real. For real. It's only truth here, okay? Just don't worry. If it comes between us, and I just don't want to give away the Grand Cup, the reveal there. Like, that's a big deal, okay? You got to understand. There was no bad intent, chat. Please forgive me for the lies. Also, everyone else lied, okay? So don't come for me. The business ones are going to destroy the AI bot in Grand Cup. Good luck. For those who really believe I'm AI and this isn't real, that I'm not human, like, you got no chance because AI can't lose. Shadow Moore says, shit, MES broke out 7437. I don't know if it's a fake breakout though. What is ES doing? Is it following suit or is it just... Okay, I do see that. Those equal lows as well on ES. Let's hope it continues here though. ES doesn't have that. I know right now we are in a bullish 15-minute gap, so I want to see that inverted for my trade to cleanly play out here. Don't want us to be rejecting out of this gap. It wouldn't be too good. But ES doesn't have a gap, so that's good. That's good. But we'll see. I'll keep ES open to the right here. We can watch the trade on NQ. And we'll see. Is there a chance to hit TP2? We'll soon find out. I mean, I have my second TP sitting at that previous 4-hour low, 29,200. So I'm asking for a lot there. That total trade would be 119 points. So it is a lot. I'm asking for a bit of a pullback here, but we'll see. Why don't you just aim for Tokyo high? Because I'm bearish right now. I'm not aiming for any highs. I know I honestly think, like, how I read the high time frame is that we are going to head for those previous day high levels, that all-time high level, but we'll see. I think we are going to drop here significantly. Looks like a breakout candle. Flash golden, no. We want the reversal, please. Please give us the reversal, London. By the way, guys, if you're just joining, not long until roughly 20 minutes, but not long until we get Nick here for the London Open. So I need the likes to get up so we can bring him on and we can do a giveaway. So we're only at 174 likes. We need 315 likes to bring Nick on, and then 430 likes to do the first giveaway. So keep smashing the like button. If you're just joining, make sure you definitely do that, and subscribe while you're at it so that you guys can comment in the chat and we can talk. But yeah, Nick will be here sooner than later, so go. Tweffy, when I read that comment, she's going up. You know what song was in my head? It's going up. That song is just like the perfect bullish song. We need a song for the bears though. What song can we sing to bring this market down? Like, seriously, as soon as I entered this, are you serious, NQ? This consolidation right now is just breaking me. Like, this is the worst kind of price action. I would rather, honestly, see yesterday's first trade that stopped in 3 minutes sort of thing, rather than this bullshit. You just move. Anyone else? Is that just me? Oh yeah, Timber by Kesha, yes. It's going down. I'm yelling timber. Yeah. What a song. What a tune. Honestly. I feel like music was way better back in the day. I mean, back in the day, I feel like that makes me sound so old, but even like going like 5 years ago, I feel like music was way better. Radish Gaming, way down we go. Yes. That's another one. I have used that before after posting a loss. Shadow Moore says this kind of action chops my stop losses like hell. I mean, I just don't like that we're not going anywhere. Like, this bearish reaction here, this displaced candle, and then just this sideways reaction is not what I like to be trading in. But we'll see. I have my orders in place. That's the good thing. You know, if this wants to pump and stop me out, it can. Or if it wants to take TP1, it also can. So just gotta let price do its thing. We will see though. I've got this box drawn here because this is pretty much the range, that 1 minute consolidation. If it starts to break down lower, it will look good, but we have to get out of this chop. Let the candles hit the floor for Shuki, yes. Yes, let NQ hit the floor. Janchi says, for the past week or two, price action is smooth until the point I enter a trade, then it's chop fest. Really frustrating. I hate that. I'm like in that right now. But I mean, is it chop fest for like an hour? Because if it is, maybe it's the time of day you're trading. I'm curious, what time of the day are you trading? Because I'm big on time of day as well. Like I won't ever trade that lunchtime New York, like 11 to sometimes 11, but 12 to 1, never. Just price is dead. But yeah, not like the Wicked Witch. Hell yeah, let's see NQ melt. Digicap, can the indicator also mark the open prices or just highs and lows? Yeah, it can mark the sessions and key levels can mark the whatever you want. So the open, the high, the low, and even the midpoint. So that's that half here if you want all the levels. But yeah, I just like to look at the session high and low. Also for the previous levels, the same thing. You can have the previous day's open, previous day's midpoint. You can, for the current levels, you can have current days open, current days high, current days low, or current days midpoint. All there. You can also change these. Fully customizable. Love that indicator. Bushwookies says time of day is number one consideration in every single trade I take. Yeah, I am big on that. I don't know if others are here, but I'm very big on time before price. You know, because there are certain times of the day it's just not going to move and you can be stuck in chop. And you want to be trading with the volume, with the momentum, and get in and out of your trades quickly. That's how I like to trade. I don't like trades like the one I'm in right now. Although this is still kill zone hours for me. This is still like a valid hour of the day. I trade from 2 to 6, so it is a valid entry. It's just like you don't really expect to enter and then just sit and chop like this. Come on, NQ. So Darth Linux says, hey Celine, don't you wait for all boxes to be checked to enter a trade? Yes, so right now those are tracking current, like another entry. So that's why there's an X against the intermediate time frame sweep, because that previous 15-minute high is still sitting there valid, untouched, hasn't been swept, and then there's no inversion following that. So that's why the X's are there. But if we go back to when I entered, basically that table down the bottom, it live updates. So if we go back to my entry, it was valid. All these boxes were ticked. So hopefully that makes sense. But yeah, we're gonna leave. All right. Online shopping says about 12 minutes till you get stopped out. No, please. I'll come back to you though, online shopping. If I'm not stopped out, what do I get? You buy me a lightning funded or what? Let's check back with him, chat. Online shopping in 12 minutes. So at London Open. If I'm not stopped out, you owe me a lightning funded account. No, I'm kidding. I owe a lot of people a lot of money, so I'm not going to start. Diamond Deer says, consolidation leads to great breakouts, so let it shake up the champagne for you, Celine. Hell yeah, champagne showers are on cue happening in T-5 minutes, hopefully. But yeah, that's generally what it is true. Like when we get consolidation, you sort of see it as like price gassing up at the fuel station, and then you just see it rip. So that's all right. NQ can gas up here, but as long as it dumps, we don't want to see it fly. We want to see it drop heavy. share your chart indicator. Oh boy, here we go. Apologies to the guys who are here every day with me and go through this every day. Sessions and key levels is the indicator that prints my sessions. And yes, key levels. That is here. All you have to do is search it. It's this one by Script Edge. This one here, Script Edge, that's sessions and key levels. And then just the Celine Trades one. This is it. And that is all. All right, are we getting the drop here? Come on, NQ, rip it, rip it. I mean, dump it, dump it. Where's that guy in the chat? He said I'm about to get stopped out. My guy, where did you go? Where did you go? All good. 2011 says, thanks, C Money. All good. Someone needs to improve the market basics difference between breakout and breakdown. What do you mean? I mean, they're very different things. Bushwookie says he's quiet. Oh, there he is. Online shopping. He's still here. Okay, at least he showed himself. Oh no, Corey. She did say, yep, I literally did say rip it as price was dumping. That's such bad luck now. I'm screwed. Russell says, I moved my stop to break even. I'm not supposed to with my strategy, but I want to take a loss. I don't want to take a loss here. Fair enough, Russell. I will only take break even. You guys know if we get to that 1-to-1 level. And if we don't get there, then we take the full loss, which is just over 30 points. So we'll see. Corey, how do you trade? I trade reversals. Reversals. Diamond, yeah, we manifested that shit. Where is Manifesto? What was her name? Manifestation Baddie? Where did she go? Because we manifested that. We said, let the champagne drop here on NQ. All right, Balaji says we need 125 likes to unlock Nick. Damn, we don't have long. We need... What are we at? Oh, there are almost 600 of you here right now and only 227 likes. So literally like 400 of you guys doing absolutely nothing. While you're sitting there, go and smash the like button. Okay, it's not hard. It's YT Wednesday. Okay, we want the positivity around here and we want the likes because it's a Wednesday and we just love YT Wednesday and we love Tradeify TV. And we also crossed over 108,000 subscribers. So big, big W to Tradeify TV, to the moon. Oh, and there's TP1 in a minute. Oh, no. Thank you, don't. You know what? I'm being a disciplined trader, guys. I'm going break even there because that's ridiculous. If I was to take a stop out there after getting a tick away, I couldn't live with myself. So we'll see. Oh, did we jinx it? Morning, Pino. But yeah, Diamonds, we are risk-free on this now. But honestly, that's gonna annoy me. What was that low? So my TP was at 290 to the tick, and that low was 2 ticks. 29,290.50. So 2 ticks from my TP. Boy, oh boy, I'm gonna lose it if that comes back to my break even. I'm not even gonna lie, chat. That's just gonna instant trigger. Don't be a dick for a tick. Oh, I am. I'm being right now a dick for 2 ticks. Wow. No. That 50-minute doesn't have a... doesn't look good. Does not look good. 4-hour looks nice. I like that selling wick on the 4-hour. But the 15... No. 15 has dropped here, but no top wick or no flip bullish on the 15-minute right now. Only... That's going to really frustrate me. Ooh. Should have kept the micros. It hit 290. No, did it? Yeah, but Wick Super, the micros was too small of a position. Oh my gosh. NQ, do not do this. Too much attachment for TP. Graphene, I'm not going to take it. It's fine. I'm almost thinking about putting it just above this 15-minute high. No, I think we're just going to let it stop me break even. And then if it gives another setup, then I'll get back in. But we're so close to London Open now, I could just pump a little bit and then continue down. No. Joe Emma says, Celine, I like the long year from 29.302, TP up at 29.352.50. Well, I mean, I hope it gets there eventually for you, but I just want to see 290 first. We got to see 290 here, chat. Come on, we need that TP1. What a squeeze. Who else is getting triggered by this as much as me? Can we zoom in here? Look at that. Look at that. I mean, have you seen anything as bad as that? I can't. How will I ever recover, chat? Just another day. I mean, it's not over. All right, let's not panic. It's not over. Okay? We got to be strong. Hold strong. Zoom out, Celine. All right, yeah, true. Zoom out and breathe. Zoom out and breathe. Whew, that looks better. 5 minute looks lovely. I mean, that last 5 minute candle looks disgusting, but current 5 minute, okay, I feel a bit better. I do feel a bit better now, actually. Talk nicely to yourself. All right, Sal, you've got this. You've got this. Stay strong. Don't worry about those bulls. Bears, you've got this. Just hold strong. There we go. It's working. It's working. Oh, Nick's in the chat. What up, gang? Nick, I just got Nicholas Wickless on this. I mean, I'm still in it, but I'm talking nice to my position. And Nick, I'm zooming out, just like you would say. I'm zooming out. I'm breathing in. I'm breathing out. I'm learning, chap. Oh, damn. We're 109,000 subs. Martin says we're at, all right. I got to fact check that because we're on 108 when we started streaming. So if we just crossed over 109,000, that is insane. And hell yeah, we did. 109,000 subscribers here on Tradeify TV. So that definitely does. I mean, if this trade here, that Nicholas Wickless treatment didn't deserve a like, now this definitely deserves a like because we just crossed over 109,000 subscribers here on Tradeify TV. Which is insane because it was just on Friday that we hit 100,000 and we are just cooking. Tradeify TV is cooking too, and we are blasting to the moon. So smash the like button. Nick says an inhale, exhale. I'm trying, Nick. I'm trying, but it doesn't look too good. I need to actually move that. I know you guys want to see the P&L, but I need to move my stop. We can show this actually. We'll just a bit there. All right. Now, in order to bring Nick on, you guys know the drill. We need 315 likes. So I'm going to do a quick check. What are we at? We are at 296. We only need like 20 more likes, guys. You guys can do it. We're a minute to go here. Actually, I don't have... Nick could be in the back room already. Okay, no, he's not here. But we don't have long. Oh, there he is. Nick just popped in. So we are ready to go. Nick is ready to go. We need to get those likes up though. So smash the like button if you're just joining. You guys know the drill. Let's see. And we'll get there. And also, not just to bring Nick on, but we need 430 to do a giveaway. So smash that like button. There we go. There we go. 313. What did I say? 315. 2 more likes. Let me get his intro. We are good to go. Let's see. All right, guys. It's time. Let me introduce you to the YT wearing, hair never moving, GP trading, biohacking, Mewtwo catching, stay with ketchup abusing, sample trolling, intro kidding, KFC hating, Five Guys loving, puddle playing, tennis playing, squash playing, water guzzling, chat banning, skydiving, shark swimming, parkour champion, salmon mango sushi loving, switch battle winning, super slippery sock walking, accent king, definitely not CPI, full porting, no prep marathon running, dictator, DMC strategy inventing, twice defeated, Mario Kart playing, once spaded, the one and only Nicholas Wickle.
Good morning, everybody. How are we doing?
Good morning.
Good morning, Celine. Happy YT Wednesday. Happy YT Wednesday. Hope you're doing well. Everybody, you know the drill, right? Put a big fat 1 in the chat if you think Celine absolutely crushes it, as every single day. Also put a 1 in the chat if you're ready to make money. Put a 1 in the chat if you think 109,000 subscribers looks good. Put a 1 in the chat if you love putting 1s in the chat. Put a 1 in the chat if you think Tradeify is cool, and put a 2 in the chat if you can't hear me. Let's see.
Don't.
I'm kidding.
I don't want to relive that again.
I have an important question, Celine.
Yes.
Roman, if you can go to my screen real quick. Why are you lying?
Oh, I know. I tried to apologize to the chat, but they're not happy with me. But yeah, I lied about that.
Why were you lying, huh?
Well, I wasn't lying. I was liaring, right? I was liaring.
Oh, yeah, true. Oh, well, it's all good. She was liaring, chat. We're good.
I wasn't lying, guys. Okay.
No, but really, like, I wanted to address the elephant in the room. Like, where's your hat?
But that's the thing. That's why I'm not convinced. Is that me? Because I would only be an outlaw if I was wearing a cowboy hat.
Why do we not have hats? Huh? Why do we not have hats?
Who do we need to speak to in HR about this? I'm not happy.
I'm not happy either.
Get me my freaking cowboy hat. I am not happy. I feel like the real outlaws, the ones who look scary, are the ones with the cowboy hats. And then
well, we might not look
scary. Got a hat.
We might not look scary, but we'll do the scary work, you know. We'll see.
That's it.
See.
That's right.
All right. Yesterday, I heard a couple, like during the New York stream, a bunch of people said, "Oh, trade and Tradeify." So today, I opened a fresh account on Tradeify, which I don't like. I still prefer TradeC, and we're gonna trade Tradeify today. Okay. I have a 150k select account. I have this challenge that I want to pass this week. So you need 3 days to pass an account. It's Wednesday. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Pass it by the end of the week, and then never activate it because I don't like Tradeify.
What the fuck?
Yeah, but it's gonna be
just for fun.
Your wish is my command. I'm trading Tradeify now. Yes.
I gotta say I do prefer it, but to each their own.
Well, you connected through TradingView though. So Roman, let's go back to Celine's screen because she's in a trade.
I think we are about to get the Nicholas Wickles here. I was 2 ticks away from that TP1. Oh, there's break even. Actually, that's not even break even. There it is. That's like a small loss. What was that? $17. $17 on that trade, which could have easily been different, but I am still looking for a short actually. So it is what it is. We didn't get that full reaction, and that is that's life, guys. It is what it is.
Hey, I gotta screenshot this page really quick because I see that everybody from the last 5 outlaws has the same wanted reason, but that's not true. Let me just send this. You don't have to be on my screen, Roman, for that. Stay on Celine's.
Why? What does it say? Like everyone's wanted for being down under?
It's from Desi, I think. Desi's. You guys have all Desi's. Now yours is wanted for trading down under.
GRV Celine crying inside. Oh yeah. I'm not gonna be fake and pretend that didn't frustrate the hell out of me. The only thing is didn't trade that on funded, so I'm okay. But like look at this. I'm getting another entry, which isn't as far from where my initial entry is, so I'm happy with that. If we get this inversion, I will re-enter this cell and we'll ride.
Wesley is asking, Nick, if I win the giveaway tonight, can I please get pizza instead of an account? You know what, Wesley? I'll get you pizza and the account.
Ooh, Nick's in a good mood.
Because you asked so nicely. Trader Cynicon says you better get a new stream partner. This Colleen is not trustworthy.
These guys, my name is Celine, and it's gonna be Celine from now on around here.
Nah.
Not
I
Colleen.
mean, you spell my name Nick, right? So the C is actually why my name is Nick. Otherwise, it would be Nisk.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well, it doesn't work like that in Australia. Whoa, look at this. Look at this candle.
Zoom out, Celine. Fuck your fucking 1 minute chart. Go to the 5 minute and zoom out.
This is not Nick, that's a move.
This is not a big candle.
Move,
it's just not.
I just got that's a move.
It's literally a freaking 14-point candle.
Damn.
Zoom out.
Help, send help. I just got wigged out and now I need help. Oh boy. It's all good. I'm about to re-enter this short because of that inversion now.
Brandon says Nick must have got a high five before the stream. Dude, I get so many high fives before the stream, after the stream. I high five everybody around here.
Oh really? You feel like giving high fives out to the chat? Oh my gosh.
Oh man.
Yeah, Nick woke up in some mood today. Who else wants an account? Sounds like Nick's gonna give accounts to everyone.
Wait, what did you say was the giveaway, Lyko?
Oh, I said 4:30. 4:30 today.
All right.
Anyway, so we're back in this short.
Okay. Let's see. There was something I saw in the chat before. Oh, Austin, when are we going to play Mario Kart again? Always on Friday. Mario Kart Fridays, my boy.
Oh, yeah. You guys better be training for that. All right. High fives and pizza.
High fives. Nice.
Russell says, Celine, if your strategy doesn't say re-enter, I really wouldn't. No, it does. This is the exact same setup I entered at 221. I'm getting the same bearish reaction and same setup here at 307. So I'm happy with that. I had a feeling like that London Open was going to come and, start me out there, break even, but it's all good. I'm glad I'm in another setup, which is valid, and it's not a degen trade. And yeah, we'll see what happens. We'll see.
Anubuff, I will explain when the time comes. Pimota says, account, please.
Oh my God. Please. With the little fingers like this, please. This is a funded account, Sian. Sorry, I lie. I'm lying straight to your guys' faces.
Why are you lying?
I'm lying again. This is a eval. You guys can see there.
Mr. Blue, good morning.
Oh, morning, Mr. Blue. What's that? What is that?
Piece of paper. He likes playing with these little sticky notes. If I fold them up and I throw them out, look.
Yeah.
and then actually, funny enough, sometimes in the morning when I do that, he actually brings it back to me, and I have to throw it again like a dog. So weird.
Oh, okay, that's good because I don't like the cats that just sit there and do nothing all day. But cats can be smart. That's cute. Nizio, good morning. He says good morning, King Nick and C Money. Wanted for trading down under. Yeah. Yes, I'm a wanted. I've joined the wanted list now.
Russell said he sounded so Swedish the way he said paper. Russell, instead of typing bullshit in the chat, rather get to training on your Mario Kart skills because you suck, sir.
Shit. Russell, you're gonna take that? He's the twice defeated Mario Kart playing now, so Russell, you shouldn't take that.
I mean, Russell is even more defeated.
Oh, no.
Great.
Poor Russell. Oh, he is practicing. All right, good, Russell. I need the day to come where you beat Nick in Mario Kart. We really need to see that on stream.
Yeah. Let's see. Lizard Trade says, guys, help. What do you need help with? What do you need help with? Austin Futures Trading, I saw you get 5th, Nick. Well, in one race, but overall, I was 2nd after Brandon.
We're not going to talk about this. He's like a little kid that's trying to like justify. No, you lost.
No, I'm not. Again, Celine, listen to my words. I said, I'm behind Brandon, the Mario Kart king.
Yes.
But I got 2nd twice. He got 1st twice. It's okay. We're always measuring across 4 races.
Mm-hmm. All right.
I will beat Brandon one day.
All right, if you think that.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, but like your stats don't say that. I can't, like, if I could put money, it's definitely my money's going on Brandon.
That's okay.
In
I
fact,
like to be the underdog.
Should we bet on this?
I like to be the underdog. It's good. It's fine. Well, with you, Celine, I'm not going to bet anymore. Okay. We have this one paddle bet. But I mean,
yeah, that's enough.
After not receiving the 150k Lightning Fund, it's like, no, it's not fun, you know? If you win and then you don't get what you deserve, it's like, me. But it's all right. It's all right. If you can't afford it, it's fine.
All right, Nick. Guys, you will see. You will see. That day will come where I smash Nick in a paddle battle, but until then, I just have to cop this. It's fair. It's fair. I didn't pay up from the Miami debt, and I'm in debt here, but it's all good. It's all good.
Russell says, my son is playing with the Switch 2 right now, so no Mario Kart for me. Russell, is your son stronger than you? No? Good. Then take it away and you play. Oh Diamonds, shit, Leia played 100 games this week.
Wow. Leia, I mean, that's solid. Leia, I expect you on the podium at least. 1st, 2nd, or 3rd, surely. After all that work.
Sahid, sorry, I know you asked twice before. Nick, if you qualify for 2nd round, do everyone win some amount of money or account? Well, the rules, Roman, let's go to my screen really quick. The rules are on here. So basically, 1st round is you have 5 days to grow your balance, right? You can reset up to 3 times if needed. A reset costs $29, I think. Initial entry is free. And then when you, oh yeah, it says here, $29. When you advance to the next round, that is the round where you start making money. Right, so if you beat an outlaw, you get $5,000 every single time. All right, back to Celine's trade.
I just noticed my initial trade would have TP'd here, so that's annoying because TP1 was at 290, and we did just break that level slightly. But yeah. Not changing anything about this 2nd trade. My TP1 is at 283 now, just at these lows here on the 1 minute, and I'm expecting us to drop a bit more. So I've left it some significant room here to retrace into, but we will see if we get the follow through. 15-minute candle now looks really not nice with those 2 wicks now side to side in this bullish gap. Don't like how that looks. Not so clean. I'd want to see this 15-minute bullish gap inverted to be a little bit more comfortable with the bears here, but we'll see. Come on, bears. Mexican Dan says, you both look pretty tough with your outlaw posters. Well, thank you, but I think we'd look more tough if we had cowboy hats on, not gonna lie. I want a cowboy hat. I don't know why the potato got a cowboy hat. I'm gonna talk to HR.
A great question.
Who allowed the potato to wear a hat?
Well, I heard the potato got caught though.
As in?
Guess we'll find out. By the way,
What?
I sent Chicken his video.
Oh, is he here? Is it his birthday? It's today his birthday?
Yeah. He
probably not.
cried laughing.
Oh my god, it was the best video. Okay, good. We can talk about it now. Oh, I hope he comes on stream today. So good.
That would be
He
fun.
wouldn't have expected it, but
He also just got a payout from Tradeify.
oh,
so
hell yeah.
He sent me a screenshot from his payout. I was like, hey, we're basically working for the same firm now. Kind of funny. Mo says if wait, I gotta read it first. Okay, nothing bad. If Mario Kart will be a long-term thing, I'll tell my kid I'm buying him the game next week. I'll buy it this week. We're gonna see you play on Friday. The thing is, we always have 11 slots, like me plus 11 people, right? So you gotta be fast in the future with logging into the game, because last time we were maxed out. So there's not gonna be space for everybody.
That's true. I can't believe it's kind of annoying that they max it out. Unless we do 2 rounds potentially. But I don't know.
Well,
we'll see how crappy the price action is.
Leo says, I mean, Nick told me I suck, so that triggered everything. Good. You took it the right way. The business lens, are we going to have 50k drawdown in a second round? Yes. It's actually going to be 50k drawdown. So you're not going to blow your account because 1 mini, 10 micros. Good luck blowing 50k account.
Clip God, what kind of a trade is that, lol? It's a short. It's a short entry based on the previous 4-hour high, previous 15-minute high sweep, 1 minute inversion. It's the same logic that entered me into this trade that I got stop break even and then sadly ran to TP without me. So that's annoying, but I had the same setup happen here at 305, so I'm in that trade. Same exact reasons.
She in that trade. Taraxahu, what trades am I planning? Well, let's look at it. Let me check something. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something.
The daily candles is asking best prop firm to use. I think you guys know the answer to that. That is without bias, Tradeify.
Duh.
For a multitude of reasons.
Duh. What are we gonna do with this? Let me tell you something.
Tara says, let's face Colleen. What?
Hey. Yes. Colleen. We gotta take Colleen out of the Grand Cup.
Morning, the good news.
Wait.
What?
I hope I face you.
Oh, I do too. I hope. I pray.
That would be nice. Like,
to the gods.
the bragging rights.
Oh yeah, that could finish everything for us. Like we could definitely say whoever wins of the two of us is just the beast of everything. Like
no,
just the goat. The goat.
You're the FIFA loser. That's gonna stay on you forever.
No, I feel like if we were to go to head to head, I feel like that ends it all. That ends it.
Nope.
The rivalry is finished.
Nope. It will never be. It just clarifies who's the better trader. But we're never really arguing about that anyway, so.
Yeah, but it'd be fun. It'd be fun, just saying. I don't know who's going to put together the head-to-heads, but that could be an interesting matchup.
It's going to be random, so.
Interesting.
Chat, are you guys in any trades? Anybody? We're at 399 likes.
We're not even close to that.
Online shopping says I got 5K waiting for me if I verse Nick. Well,
good luck.
We'll see.
Remy, aka Jonathan now, I know, says, can I just thank you two before the end of stream rush for constantly turning up day in, day out, every day and every week. It's hugely appreciated, even when the chat's against you, but Nick's still the best. All right, Jonathan. I appreciate you regardless if Nick's the best or whatever. You are, yes, as Nick said, you're a legend. We appreciate you. You're also in here each and every day with us, so we love that.
You just activated my Google Home again. But love
Google.
you, Jonathan. You're a good guy.
Hello, Google. Google.
Gulu. G LA E Gulu.
I hope people know what that is.
Still one of the funniest videos out there. Mexican says you guys are awesome. It ain't easy being consistent. Hey, that's true. We appreciate you. Thank you.
Thank you. Some people get it.
Hey, some people do.
Marco's too much coffee this morning.
I don't drink coffee.
Yeah, that's concerning. It's the high fives. It's the high fives, Marcos.
Well, you said it's high five, so you know.
You know, is that how it goes?
Who knows? Who knows?
Who knows?
Wait, we have a duo stream name now, Nicolene. So it's
it kind of works. Nicolene.
Yep. Home Mexicans, you know exactly which kind of high fives. Drops says, I only drink tea, no coffee. Yeah, but you're your grandpa, so. Okay.
Yeah, that makes sense. Cup of tea and a biscuit for Gramps. Cup of tea.
Martin, will it be visible in the second round? Who is against who? I mean, how do I know if I'm against an outlaw or not? Yes, it will be visible. Visible?
Wait, look at Mo's comment. He said at the end, this message, I haven't even read it yet, but he said, this message is prank free. That makes me want to read it 3 times over, Mo. So
no, I actually read it. It is prank free. It's fine.
Oh, okay. So he says, Celine is one of those friends that when she loses a bet, she'll transfer the debt to someone else that owes her that you have to collect from.
Yes.
Kind of true, kind of not true. Not going to comment.
Jeez, boss, I didn't even know that tomorrow is Männertag, and no, I will not be drinking. I don't drink at all.
What's Männertag?
It would be Men's Day, but I didn't even know that existed. But anyways,
Men's
Alan,
Day.
Nick, are you going to take a trade today? Well, Alan, do you want me to take a trade today?
John Strandberg, what is a like goal for giveaway? It's 430 likes for the first giveaway, which we are getting closer. Let me check. 415. So only 15 more likes to do that first giveaway.
Nice. Celine, I let you read Suri Luki's message.
All right, Celine, lunch today. Please no ignore. Suri, you're gonna hate me, but lately I've been on the chicken breast, sweet potato, avocado situation. So it's been the same the past few days. Boring but consistent and healthy. Good. So we like that. But sorry that it's nothing more exciting to give you.
But with ketchup, hopefully.
There is absolutely no ketchup, but a beautiful Nando's Peronaise sauce that I love. Love a good Nando's sauce. No, there is no ketchup. I mean, I wouldn't hate it as much as ketchup on steak. I'm more happy to try ketchup with chicken. Let me tell you that. Just not ketchup on steak.
You mean try? You've never had ketchup on chicken?
No, because I'm like a barbecue sauce girl.
Bruh.
Ketchup is like, oh god.
You've never had ketchup with ketchup on chicken? Are you serious? Have you ever had chicken nuggets?
Yes.
Have you ever had
But I have that
ketchup?
with sweet and sour when I get it from McDonald's. Sweet and sour or barbecue sauce. Dude, that is goated. Guys, the barbecue sauce from, well, Aussies from Hungry Jack's, the barbecue sauce is so good. And also from McDonald's, yes. Like chef's kiss. I don't know how else to tell you guys, but go next time you're having your nuggets, dip it in barbecue sauce.
No, you're missing out on life.
No, I'm not, because I like my ketchup on sausages and other things. Burgers, sausages, pastries. Okay. It belongs on certain things, but no, nuggets, no. Has anyone understood the barbecue thing? No one's commenting on the barbecue sauce. It can't be. I'm not the only one. They sell it at McDonald's for a reason, but sweet and sour sauce, I'd say, is like the top, and then barbecue sauce, and ketchup probably third. Like if they really ran out of sauces, I would go ketchup, but that's a last resort.
No.
Awesome futures trading on pastries. I'm not talking about sweet pastries. I'm talking about the Australian like bakery, like we have pies or we call them sausage rolls. The savory pastries.
I woke up today and thought it's a great day, but now my day sucks.
You're being dramatic.
You're being dramatic.
You're being dramatic. No way. Legacy says, no ways you're not mad. You're not mad. Slim barbecue is the one. See? Legacy gets it. Barbecue is the goat on nuggets. Wick sweeper. See, they're all coming out of the woodworks now.
I lost all hope. It's fine. Russell says they're hella weird down under.
We're different.
Apparently.
This guy says, Celine, you probably have to focus on trade. There's nothing to do here, guys. I do have a wide stop on this, and I have 2 TPs set in. So we're just going to let it ride.
Amir, honestly, I do like the shorts. I'm not going to lie. Do like the shorts. But should we enter the shorts? Should we?
Yes.
Okay, you heard it here first. Celine made me go short.
Oh.
We are 5 micros short. Boom.
No.
Celine's
well,
fault.
I mean, I like it. I mean, don't blame me, but I actually do like the short. Oops.
I will absolutely 100% blame you. But only if it goes wrong. If it goes right.
Is this a fresh eval?
Yeah, that's the Tradeify eval. Because people wanted me to trade Tradeify. So, your wish is my command.
Leia says I have one word, Celine, Vegemite. Yeah, gross, Leia. That is one thing I won't ever go near. Disgusting.
Disgusting, yeah. I think we got the light call now.
Oh, 4:30?
Yeah, we are 4:59. So
yeah, we smashed that.
Chats. What that means is all you have to do right now is, if you want to participate in this giveaway, like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and once I send you the link to the Google form, fill out that Google form, but only do it once. If you do it more than once, you will get disqualified. Now, very important, if you ask me in any way, shape, or form where the Google form is, or what the Google form is, or I don't know, when the Google form is, or what shape or form I'm in, like any sort of questions in that direction, you will get disqualified. And after I just explained how this all works, and you still ask me how to enter this giveaway, then you will get hyper, mega, giga, super duper, ultra disqualified. So just don't. Okay?
Don't even test us.
No. Don't even test us.
Mexican dance.
It's so stupid. Freaking Tradeify.
He said, can I ask how it is? Oh, a Mexican dance. You're playing with fire, buddy.
Yeah, you are playing with fire. Little Mexican. So annoying to set up orders.
Drop Straight says I still haven't got mine from April 17th.
You got scammed.
Did you? Wait, is that for
No.
real? I don't remember.
Wait, let's see. Who said that? Oh,
Drops trades.
Drops, you
Gramps.
won? Grandpa?
In the
Don't you
London
have
session?
Alzheimer's or something?
Oh, Nick. Don't make fun of our grandpa like that.
I'm not making fun, like I'm just being serious. He's our Gramps. So I'll look into it, Mr. Grandpa. I'll message the team.
Wall Street Rascal. Good morning, Celine. And what up, Nick from Jacksonville, Florida?
Ooh,
Sick.
Florida.
What up to
It's
the
3:30 a.m.,
Floridians?
dude. I appreciate you.
Well, if you're awake and in Florida, then what's Brett doing? Someone better wake up Brett, bring him onto the London session.
That is a good question. Okay, let me zoom in here so you guys can see this trade. Here we go. You like that? Great.
Yes, grape.
Grape? You like grapes?
Do you know that video?
No.
When I grow up, I will be army.
Ah, of course I know that one. That's one of the best videos ever. Pakistan.
And I will destroy India.
Careful, careful.
I'm just copying from a video, guys.
Mm-hmm. Pakistan. Celine, what time zone are you in?
Time zone is Australian time zone. That's all I got for you.
Australia has multiple now.
Yeah, but I'm in AM EST. It's 5:30 p.m.
Because in Perth, it's 3:30.
And Perth, weirdly enough, has the same time zone as Bali. So even though they're like across the water, they are in the same time zone.
Tarak, oh, that's right. Says everyone asks where is the form, but no one asks how is Nick.
That is true.
True. Everybody always just interested in the form. How can I get a free account? Free account, please. Jay Doe, I just joined. Did we do the giveaway yet? Yes, unfortunately you missed it. I'm sorry.
Oh, Cameron, you're from Perth? He says it's quicker to get to Bali than the eastern states. Yeah, that's so interesting that you can go overseas quicker than you can get to like Melbourne or something. That is cool though. Evil Knievel Trade says in Bali 100k USD your royalty. Yeah, you definitely are.
Constantine. Hey Nick, you look very handsome today. Can I get 150k lightning funded? Absolutely you can. Just go to tradeify.co and use the code May for 40% off when you purchase a 150k lightning funded account.
Oh, Kefir says he just asked where the form is. Ban them. Who? Wait, where? Where are these guys?
It's really just Josh that's selling this big ass mic pisses me off.
Wait, my mic?
Apparently.
Okay, wait. Let me move it. But if I move it further away, you might not be able to hear me.
Why is it so...
Like,
what mic do you have?
the same as you. The Shure mic.
Yeah. Really? Why does mine look so much smaller?
Probably the distance of your camera.
Say something, chat.
Mic Wars.
Mic Wars.
It's the same.
Well. Well. Yeah, Kiss, I know. I knew that was coming. I
didn't say anything. What did you say?
Well,
I don't remember.
Just read the comments. Joe Mama says, I'm having eggs. Please pass the ketchup. Here you go, my friend. Take as much as you want.
Wait, Kiz, I didn't see what the comment was.
Mikey BB001. Do you guys trade off laptops? I do, yes. I do.
Mm-hmm.
Anybody else needs ketchup? We got some. All right, let's run the giveaway. Copying everybody over. Wait, again, chat? 626 people who filled out the form, but only 520 of you liked the stream. That is unacceptable.
Damn.
It is unacceptable. Why do you keep doing that? We're literally giving you stuff for free. Somebody filled out the form with the username, where's the form?
Oh no. Why didn't they even want a chance at winning a giveaway?
They just I don't know, they just want
want to troll.
Yeah, they just want that to pop up when we spin the wheel. It's kind of funny though.
It was definitely Mexican dance. He's making it way too obvious.
Yeah. Well, you're not gonna get anything if it lands on that. Just saying. John White says Heinz ketchup is the best. My man, you are a true connoisseur. Yes, it is the best. All right, here we go. Spinning to see who wins. First giveaway of the day goes to Coin Papi. Ay. Congratulations.
That's funny.
Type something in the chat. Coin Papi.
Are you here?
I think that guy won before.
Yeah, actually, name does ring a bell now.
Coin Papi, where are you at? Oh. He says, is that true, Nick, that he would die for Heinz? Well, depends on the context, but...
Oh my gosh. This ketchup, they better give you a deal soon, Nick.
Yeah, for real. Heinz, sponsor me, please. All right, Coin Papi, let's see what you win. Here we go. Spinning, spinning, spinning. Oh, 50K
nice.
select. 50K select for Coin Papi. So, Mr. Coin Papi, let me ask you one very important question. Do you want to play a game of 0123? You have a 25% chance of losing your account. However, you have a 75% chance of walking away with this account. You have a 50% chance of winning more than one account. You have a 25% chance of winning 3 accounts. So, he's even asking, can I gamble? So he will. Yeah. He will. Pretty sure about that. He says,
it's going to be good.
Let's see.
I got a feeling it's going to be 3 as well.
He says, play it. It's going to be 3. Let's see if you're right, Bushwookie. What if you're wrong?
I got a feeling as well.
What if you're wrong? What happens then? Because I know if it's 3, you're going to be like, see, I told you. But what if it's not?
We're going to just have to spin it and find out. I think it's 3 as well, Bushwookie.
Well, Coin Papi has to say. He only asked, can I gamble? So we need confirmation. Do you want to gamble? Because you can. You sure can. He says, let's fucking go. Okay.
All right,
but I need to know from Bushwookie, what happens if it's not 3? If you're so convinced.
No, don't make him do anything. Bushwookie, I believe it's 3 as well.
Well, Celine, what are you gonna do if it's not 3?
Absolutely nothing. I'm gonna accept that I was wrong, unlike some people around here.
Lame. All right, spinning Coin Papi. It is almost 3.
It's almost 3. Oh, it was almost 3.
Yeah. Yep. All right, but that's nice. Pretty good. That's pretty good. 2 50K select accounts for Mr. Coin Papi. So, Mr. Or should I call you Mrs.? Make sure you add your email address to your YouTube channel description. And see, Bushwookie says, see? No, you said 3, you little shit.
Lyra?
Make sure it's your email address that you use for your Tradeify login. Because if it's not, we will not be able to.
Coin Papi just said, can I gamble more?
Well, Coin Papi, Make me an offer.
Ooh, this would be a
gamble
first.
you want? This is the first time in Tradeify TV history that somebody gets to make an offer on the gamble. So think about it. You got 1 minute.
Damn. You said today seems to be my day. All right, what's the offer there, Coin Puppy? Double or nothing? These guys want double or nothing.
Is Coin Puppy saying that? Or somebody else?
Imagine walking away with nothing, though. Oh, after winning
suck.
2.
Let's see. Coin Puppy says, what do you mean just do a vote? And now, at this time, Roman brought up a poll. That was wrong timing, Roman. But Coin Puppy, it's still a good poll though. But Coin Puppy, you said, can I gamble more? So you're going to make me an offer. What do you want on that wheel? How do you want to gamble?
Yeah, what do you want the offer to be?
If you're the one bringing it up, you got to propose a deal, my friend.
I mean, 2 zeros and 2 5s is crazy.
He says double or nothing. Well,
wow.
That means you could walk away with 4 accounts. Hey, nope, doesn't count. I'm not spinning.
No.
That means you could win 4 accounts. So here's my offer. If you really want to gamble. That's my counter offer.
Are you willing to take those odds?
33% chance. You walk away with 4 50k select accounts.
Damn. Coin Puppy, what are we doing? Make it quick. A quick decision's a good decision.
He says, nah, Nick, I know math and that ain't mathing. Well, then you also know, you said, can I gamble more? You also know that in gambling, it's always, the odds are not in your favor. So you don't want to do that. Okay, that's fine. Then you walk away with 2 50k select accounts. Congrats.
I think that's fair.
Let's spin it anyways. Let's see what he would have gotten.
Oh no, this is going to hurt. If it lands on 2.
Oh, it will land on 2.
Oh,
will it? Oh,
this would have been it.
No, he would
damn.
have walked away with 0. He would have walked away with 0. All right.
Well, good call.
On this trade, let's see. I'm gonna add.
I'm getting cooked.
63.5. Actually, 63 and a quarter. Yep.
I'm still alive in this trade, just. I think we're gonna get cooked here.
The business lens, will people get their profits if they lose the duel? No. If you're eliminated from the Grand Cup and you haven't beaten anybody like an outlaw, for example, or you didn't rank up to a certain rank, then you don't get anything. This is a battle, okay? It's not like charity.
Oh, this is not looking good for the Bears.
Well, we'll see. Planning to add more at 363 and a quarter.
I just stopped on that one. So.
More.
Yeah. Yep.
No.
That's annoying. So, what happened today with the trades? First trade came all the way down, 2 ticks away from profit. Then we came back, stopped me at break even, and then ran to the TP, the original TP.
Mm-hmm.
But in that rundown, I re-entered based on the model, same logic, same reasoning.
Mm-hmm.
But didn't take profit at that level. I had a target a little lower to reach, and we didn't get there. And we just Missed me again by a couple points and then popped right for that high. So yes, a bit frustrating here, but bulls are very much alive and well here. So guys who are in the longs, congrats, you won the battle. Damn, bears just don't want to come out.
Congratulations.
For now, that is.
Oh, do we get to add more here? Maybe.
Russell says, forget the models, just buy. That's where I'm at. Some days it feels like that, but I sort of knew I was cooked when that 15-minute wick, what time frame was that? The 3 a.m. Eastern 15-minute candle closed really, really gross, like leaving that second wick in this bullish 15-minute gap. So this rejection of the bullish 15-minute gap is what I didn't want to see. Wanted to see us invert, like I said, to have that bearish strength, but didn't get that. And then when we closed there, I was like, it's not gonna. I still gave it the room, still gave it the 50 points, but it ended up just running.
I just added 5 more micros on that short.
All right, nice. I hope it comes back.
I hope. You gotta pass this account. If we don't, then I just hate Tradeify even more. Simple. Very simple. See, there's another ad opportunity up here. Let's see.
So what size are you in now?
10 micros. Nothing crazy. Okay. But soon 15. Soon 15.
Bit tired there?
Yeah, always.
Too much high-fiving? His face says it all that.
Josh says, Nick, why are you shorting in a bull market? Well, doesn't the saying go, buy low, sell high? So many people say it, but nobody does it. I do it.
Hey, I do it. Mr. Solo leveling. Hi, Nick. If I join the grand couple, my fun can be paused.
Wait. Sorry. Chicken in the chat. Everybody.
Oh.
Say, happy birthday, Chicken. You are our favorite coworker. Because he just got paid the $2,000 Tradeify payout.
Hell
happy
yeah.
birthday, brother. I hope you enjoyed your message from Simon.
Happy birthday, Chicken.
Some extra corn for Chicken.
Yeah,
today.
let's give him some extra corn. And the question is, why are you a chicken?
Why are you a chicken?
Why?
Okay, fully honest, bro. When he asked, why are you? Did you think he would be saying chicken?
Plot twist.
No, that was a plot twist. When I saw that video the first time, I was laughing my ass off. It was so good.
I was too. That was good.
Yeah. Uzair, do you have to purchase a 50K account for the Grand Cup? Nope, you don't have to purchase anything. It's absolutely 100% free. Yo, Marco Maker Mario in the chat. We haven't seen you in a while.
Hey.
Okay. How are you doing?
With just the G. Good morning, Marco Maker Mario.
Yeah. Meow says, Nick, you said if you want to trade seriously, then trade 1 micro. Now you got 10 micros. No, I have 15 micros. But what you got to understand is, first of all, I'm trading on Tradeify because the chat requested it. And I'm not really taking the Tradeify account seriously because I trade on TradeC. Number 1. Number 2, I start a position with 1 micro. I scale in. I go up to more than 1 micros, right? If needed. However, I don't start a position with more than 1 micros, usually. Chicken says, rude awakening. Well, you smiled, you laughed. It's a pretty good awakening, right?
How did Chicken celebrate their birthdays anyway? What is the chicken doing today?
He's in Tzatziki land.
Oh, he's still in Greece? Oh, that's cool.
Hobby Sarafs when Nick said, yo, it sounded like the start of Spice Girls songs. I tell you what I want, what I really, really want. Can somebody make a remix, please, with my yo? That would be funny. Oh, we missed that Marco Maker Mario. My bad.
Oh, sorry, Marco Maker Mario.
Hi.
Rebuy time for the Bulls. We'll see. I still think Bears want to come in here, but we will soon find out.
Mr. Solo leveling. Hi, Nick. If I join the Grand Cup, will my funded account be paused? Nope. Only if you have a live account. Live accounts will be paused if you wish to participate in the Grand Cup. But funded accounts, no problem.
Kodayak asks you an interesting question. Nick, if a trade doesn't go to your favor and you add, how far do you continue and when are you coming out of that trade?
Let me give you the proper answer to that question.
Oh, he wasn't ready. There you go. It is what it is with Nick's trading. I don't think we'll ever get to the bottom of it.
Ronnie
I
plays
tried, chat.
in the wheel. Either you're super delayed on the stream or you're weird. Hussar, so Tradeify will issue accounts for the Grand Cup? Yes, sir. You have to sign up, though. You can't just expect an account. You need to sign up.
Oh, good night, Grandpa.
Santa? Why are you Santa?
I don't know. He's everything. All right, let's see where these bears want to enter the market.
Amir says, I don't like Tradeify. We don't see the position in P&L. Bingo. Same.
I love Tradeify.
You would see it, but then I need to zoom out and zoom over here. See, here you see it.
Clear, very clear.
But it's just not on one screen. Like on Tradesy, I can zoom in and you guys can see everything. Whereas here on Tradeaway, you don't. Sucks. All right, now I got to set up some targets here.
Asset Abbas, it starts on the 17th of May, the Grand Cup, and I believe the Sunday Night Open is the first hour of trading.
All right, we got targets. Chat. Look at that beauty.
Oh my gosh, that is just, no, I don't like the look of that. Anxiety.
Why? Why anxiety? Huh?
So many lines, so many orders.
Well, I'm liaring, you know? Liaring some lines.
Of course. DSG says 1 hour FEG for ideal short setup. Yeah, that was the target for my initial short, that 1 hour unfilled, but we didn't get down there. So the Bears are not out to play yet, but I do think we're going to get down there at some point.
Wait a minute. Mario Kart King says you can turn on the P&L and the price line in the options. Really? Tell me how. How do I do that? Didn't know.
Oh, I would love to do that too.
In the options. Application settings. Preferences?
Is it in chart settings? Wait.
No idea.
Price levels.
Tell me, mister. Or should I call you?
Yeah, I found it.
Where?
Chart settings, price levels, and then show P&L on price line.
I don't have that.
Yeah, I'll show you.
What do you see?
I will show you, sir.
Mister.
You see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, chart settings. Wait. Price levels.
Yes.
Click. Show P&L on price line.
Okay, wait. Chart settings.
Okay.
Wait, are you on the app or on web?
Desktop.
Well, me too, but I don't see that.
Let me see yours. Go back.
Look.
Price level settings. Try that.
Yeah, then I get this pop-up.
Oh, that's weird. There was an update recently. Maybe yours isn't updated.
Well, but it's the web version, so it's always going to be up to date.
Well, it's because you got the black charts then. You know what? That's why.
Can you pull up your Tradeify again really quick?
Okay, yeah. Here we go. Here are the beautiful white charts. Chart settings, price levels. Okay.
Chart setting. I don't even have that price levels thing for whatever reason. I don't know.
You don't have price levels?
Yeah.
Yeah, there. Oh wait. Oh my gosh, I'm
I don't
so
have
dumb.
it.
That's weird.
Yeah, Amir. There we go. You're a real one. Like, that's an absolute no-go. White charts on freaking Tradeify.
Whatever,
you know that
guys.
meme of the cat? You know that meme of the cat?
Yes, we know. But like, I don't know. You guys will understand one day.
No.
I don't know. That's strange that you don't have it. It's strange that you don't have the price level thing.
Yeah. Well, it is what it is, but this is what I see when I see your charts.
Oh, the cat's cute.
No, it's not cute. What do you mean cute?
Oh, no. Why are you hating on that cat? Poor little cat. Looks like my wife, Bushwookie.
Bushwookie, I'm truly sorry. I'm really sorry for
terrible.
you. You're a poor man. Maybe not financially, but I'm sorry. Kefa says, Nick, your chart looks like a raw pumpkin. What?
I just looked at that.
Wait, now I gotta Google raw pumpkin.
Yeah, TD Garage, it is as I showed. I don't know what's wrong with Nick's charts, but it's the exact same. It must be something wrong with your Tradeify, Nick.
Apparently. Amir says, Nick, say my name if you can see my comment. Amir.
Choose if you can't hear me.
Lul. I know somebody who actually said that on stream.
Oh, really?
Mm.
We won't talk about that person.
Oh, okay. Why not? Don't you like that person?
No. That's Colleen.
Well,
I'm Celine and that girl is Colleen. She's my alter ego.
PHNT says, maybe it's because you're on a Mac, Celine. I'm on a Mac too.
Graphene says, yo, I'm still in shock. TTV reached 100k. Congrats, Nick and team. You guys, Nick and team. Okay, when did it become Nick and team around here?
Love you.
Nick and team, you guys deserve it. Late compliment, but better than ever. We appreciate you, Graphene, by the way, although you called us Nick and team.
Graphene, you are truly an OG. Yep. In 9 days. 9 days. It's Tradeify's 1 year anniversary. How crazy is that?
Insane.
I've been on stream almost every single weekday for a full year.
It is a huge effort. And I will hopefully have a 1 year here soon, but still, congrats to the OG team as well. Nick Merriam and Spudnik.
Spuddy buddy.
Why are y'all rage baiting Celine? Amir, I ask myself the same question every freaking day. Is Colleen the one who took the trade? Yeah, Colleen's the one who took the second shot.
Marco McMurray says, really? It's been a year? Feels longer, not in a bad way. Yeah, it's only been a year. But it's also already been a year, which is pretty crazy. Well, Kiss, how are we celebrating? I think there's going to be some good giveaways on the 1 year anniversary stream. Is it actually a weekday? Let me check.
The 22nd.
Oh, it's Friday even. Okay.
Oh, it's a good
Okay.
day.
That is a good day.
Oh, some juicy giveaways on that Friday. You guys better be there.
Yo, Peter, you're a true OG as well. I know. Bushbookie says, I've been tuning in for about a month now. I love this stream. You guys are great. Hey, you are great. Thank you for
We
the
appreciate
support.
that. Forex therapy, like goal today. Okay, well, one giveaway has already happened here, but second like goal is Nicholas Wickle.
718. We're at 605.
700.
We can do that.
We can do it. 718.
Harshil says 1 year, 110 million paid out. We paid out even more than that, my friend. Look, if you go to payout
Over 200
junction,
million.
payout junction, you click all time. Don't look at any other firms because your face go. But we paid out $207 million to our traders.
And it's climbing.
Yeah. Yep. Amir says, Nick, if I ever face you in the Grand Cup, please use the same strategy. I will, sir.
Russell says, OMG, there better not be a bet for Grand Cup winner. Actually, I feel like there should be.
Should be what?
We love a good wager. Like, have a bet on who we think is going to win the Grand Cup. Out of the Outlaws, that is. Obviously, we don't know who the hell else is joining. Who comes top of the Outlaws?
Let's see. All right. Getting a push
what
up.
Website
like
are you with? What's his name? With this going on, or what is going on? What website are you using for payouts checking? That is Payout Junction. You guys can all see that. That is.
Yes, it's public information. Información. Ay,
Señor.
going papi.
Al nonsense. When you know if you're an outlaw? Oh, you'll know.
You'll know, yeah.
If you're an outlaw, you'll know.
Okay, let's see what we do with this position. Looks like we have to get a bit bigger. Let's see.
Even more contracts?
Yes, that's actually. What do you think, chat? Add another 15 to the already 15 micros?
30 micros in a short right now is crazy.
Is it though?
Yes, Nicholas, it is.
If she says it's crazy, I'll do it. Boom.
Oh my gosh. Has anyone here ever seen such a wild Tradeify screen? What the fuck is that?
It's a nice Tradeify screen.
Really?
Yes.
I mean, if it was wide, I get it, but it's just.
Damn, Celine, that's kind of wrong.
Are you gonna put in any buy limits, or are you just gonna add 15?
Wait. You'll see what I do. You'll see what I'll do.
Okay.
Surab says, Nick about to be Nicholas. Lol.
Russell says, it's a love-hate thing. Love potatoes, but at the same time, I'm going to fry him in the cup.
Lol.
Go for it, Russell.
Online shopping says, I thought the 150k was maxed at 12 micros. No, 12 minis. That's 120 micros.
Zeb says, go on the trend is only your friend. So Zeb, are you saying I should just buy here?
That's what he's saying.
Zeb, if you say I should buy here, I will buy. But if I blow the account, will you buy me another one? If you're so sure. Oh, is Brett going to be an outlaw? I hope not. Otherwise, we're all cooked. I hope Brett is not an outlaw.
Well, over the next couple of days, we'll reveal more outlaws. Let's see.
Mm-hmm. Where did Zeb go? He left the chat.
Who?
The guy that said, go with the trend. It's your friend. Are you telling me to buy?
Trend is your friend.
Is Brett the final boss, though? He should be.
That would be fun.
Yeah.
That would be fun. Trademarco use Tradesy, Nick? Yes, I love Tradesy. I'm trading Tradeify today because people requested that I would trade on Tradeify during the New York stream. So here you go. I'll be back on Tradesy in a blink.
I don't know. I prefer Tradeify. I get it and all with the position, the executions on Tradesy is fire, but I think it's just old habits.
Yeah.
So more used to it.
Fair. That's fair.
All right. Zeb says, yes, I bought the dip and up 300 for now. All right, Zeb. I'm buying. There we go. I'm in.
Oh shit, you faded me? At the highs too?
Oh yeah. I'm trusting Zeb.
Damn.
Mm-hmm.
Trusting a random member of the chat over me. Damn.
Yep. Because you
actually, honestly, you might be in a better position, to be honest. This doesn't look too good. What?
I mean, I never trade like this. Like buying at the highs here is not my style.
I have an idea, you know? I have an idea how to get out of this.
I'm sure you do. We'll see.
Raj says, has anyone noticed Tradesy can't scale out of position? What do you mean? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Let's see. How far up are we here? All-time high, still far above. 90 points higher.
I would be shocked if we go for those all-time highs in this London session, but I mean...
Well, in London session, yes, but today, maybe. We're currently at previous week high.
Yeah, we are very extended here, but this is not a position I would ever take longing from this, but let's see. Let's see. Same evals.
Mm-hmm.
The herpm is so strong.
Let me check. We're still fine so far. We're still fine. We might go up to 420, 426-ish. We would survive that though.
Wait, where are you thinking?
420, 426-ish, around that area. 420 to 430, basically.
Okay.
She's like, okay. Augie says, giveaway today? Well, that tells me that you haven't been here for the entire stream, my friend, because we already ran a giveaway. We're going to do a second one at 718 likes. We're currently at 620, so we need 98 more. Aldrin says, I just blew the account 1 day away from payout. No, Aldrin. Sorry to hear that.
I hate that. You want to tell us about it? Like, how did you like blow it all right before payout? It kind of sucks being that close.
Nope, there it is. Are we getting the 420 area? Let's see.
The 420.
420, yeah. That's where I would do an aggressive ad, and that's the Hail Mary play.
the Hail Mary.
Yep.
Oh boy. Now I need this to rip, and you need this.
I needed to do a little dumperoonie once we get there. All right, 420. There we go. Here comes the Hail Mary play. Adding another 30. That.
All right, this is huge now.
That.
I'm gonna add if this drops to 401. What is this trading, chat? I don't know. This
I
is
just
a
want to get rid of this trade of it. I'm not even kidding. I just want to get rid of this trade of it account.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, and it's gone. Ah, not yet. Almost. Almost.
I am not looking forward to all
Thanks. I can go back to trading trades now.
So he tried, chat. He did try Tradeify for a day. Yeah. For a session.
Enough. How's your trade going? Let's go to the lead screen, Roman.
I have another buy limit. I don't know if we're going to drop to 401, but it's just sitting there at 401. And previous day high is in range. That's all we're shooting for here. I don't really want to be in this beyond previous day high, so I should start to set some limits. Previous day high is at 29,455. All right. We'll see. Russell says we could use our short strategy at previous day high if you want, Celine. When did it become our strategy, Russell? So I'm finally someone to compete Spud the Gambler. You're looking at him, not me. I am not the gambler around here. Zeb just told me that the markets are going to pump. So we trusted in Zeb. Oh, is it going to tap this order in?
Marco Makamari says, watch it reverse now that Nick is out. No, please don't. Please don't.
Oh, if it wants to tag 401, that'll be nice. I think it should. 5 minute doesn't have a bottom week.
$718 likes. We need 78 more.
We're almost there. I was going to say, I find it so uncomfortable to be in positions like this. I don't know. It's just, I never trade like this. Buying at the highs. I mean, it's interesting, but I'm not used to it. I'm like looking at this candle. I'm like, oh, this is where I would expect it to drop. But I guess to each their own. Everyone trades it so differently. Amia says, Celine, be cautious of an SMT. Amia, you were always talking about SMTs here. I am not so scared, but let's see. Okay, ES did take that previous day high. I see what you mean there. But I believe in NQ. ES is really going for that all-time high right now. All-time highs on an ES is 7453, and we are 2 points away from that.
Notification.
Yes, it was.
I heard it.
Oh, there's another one.
Another one.
Turn that off.
Damn, Richard is texting you, huh?
Rich, go away. Not now, Richard.
How did that go, by the way?
Nothing. Nowhere.
You never got an answer?
Weird? You know what's weird? They never got back to me. Like,
Ooh.
yeah, it was just strange. And I received it's sort of slowed down now though. Maybe they found what's her name, Claire's number, but it all happened that 1 week, and then I never heard from those people again. I don't know, it was weird. Miss Jessie Tradesline, how often are you dropping podcast videos on YouTube? I am not dropping podcast videos on YouTube, but you will see our very own Miriam dropping those funded podcast videos, which, by the way, you have to go and check out the latest, the one with Kane, Trader Kane. It's a banger episode, and go and support our Miriam. Hey?
Is it live now?
Yeah. You guys can go watch it.
Hey, look at that. Look at that. Oh, you know what? The next sub milestone is going to be 110K.
How far are we now?
I don't know. I can only see 109. Since we crossed 100, we don't get the decimals. So it's always going to be 109, 110, 111. So we don't really know, you know?
It's going to be nice. They'll get that 100K plug, the YouTube plug soon.
I don't know if we're going to get it though.
Why?
Because copyright strikes for a certain music usage by a certain potato.
It gets worse.
But
by a potato. Oh well.
Guess we'll find out. Let's see if I can see it on like Social Blade or something. No.
You know what, Mama said, please turn down the white of your charts, they hurt my eyes. You did ask nicely, so just for you, I'm going to turn it a little less white. Because I'm sick of hearing this. How about grey? There we go.
How about just black? How about that?
No. Never.
Big belly button, what a name. Yes, the potato is funny as fuck. I agree. I agree.
I've been eating them all week. Mexican dentists, I've been eating them for the past week, prepping for the 20. That's funny. Hell yeah, Mark Coco says $50 away from daily goal. Catch you guys at the NY stream. Let's go. Don't chase that daily goal. Like, you're almost there, but keep that discipline and have a good sleep. I assume you're going to bed.
Lilesh, Nick, 100K plus subs. How many traders are currently trading with Tradeify? Just curious. I don't have the exact number, but I'll go on Discord really quick. I haven't been on Discord in forever, but let's see. Because that gives you a good idea, I guess. But I don't know. That's stuff I do not know.
I don't hate the gray here. I might just make it a little lighter. Just a little bit. Something like that.
Okay, actually, let's see.
Perfect.
Tradeify Discord. How many people are in there? Can one see that? I have no idea.
Oh, Goranta Gaming says 109,010 subscribers. Where are you getting that number from?
Wait, how many?
How can you see that? 109,010 and 10.
No, I think it's more.
I wish we could see.
Thinking. Wrong numbers here in terms of payouts, but 80,000 plus traders says the website.
It's probably even more than that now.
Probably, yeah. Actually gotta let the team know that we need to update this.
All right, NQ has to drop at some point. I'm actually still looking forward to shorting this market at some point, but we'll stay in this long.
Roman, let's go back to the lean screen.
This is when I'd be eyeing up a short, but if it wants to take that 29,457.25 level, I will then look for a short.
Leonard, what's the speed we will play Mario Kart on Friday? Well, obviously 150cc. We're not kids, right?
Bogdan says this market is super irrational, is not dropping, is going in another rally. Well, could be, but I mean, when we say another rally, doesn't mean there can't be little pullbacks here and there. But yes, it definitely looks like it's going to make new all-time highs here on NQ. ES has already taken out its all-time high. Just double checking that. ES, well and truly. Oh, my bad. Actually, no, we haven't.
Tofi says stocks only go up, guys. Zoom out. Well, Nasdaq is not a stock.
Lol. G'day, Jimmy.
Hi, guys. G'day, mate.
G'day, Jimmy.
Where is Patrick? I still wonder.
Yes, I know, actually. We need to reach out to Patrick. You have him on Instagram.
I have his number on WhatsApp.
Well, ask that man where the hell he's been and why is he slacking.
All right, everybody in the chat, type, where the fuck are you, Pancake Patty? And then I'll film the chat, how it goes crazy. And then we send it to him, okay?
Yeah, let's do it.
Just everybody type, where the fuck are you, Pancake Patty?
Imagine like something's, like I hope he's okay. I hope it's not something like serious.
Let's see.
Guys, just spam it.
Yeah, Patrick, you see this? You see this, Patrick? Where are you, man? You've always been on the stream and now you're just gone. Pancake Patty, where are you? All right, that's enough. Thank you, guys. All right.
All right, climbing our way out of drawdown with this trade. I'm going to cancel that buy limiter.
All right.
Now, Zeb, since you got me into this trade, are you happy for me to take TP where I'm taking TP? Let's ask Zeb. Because he's the only reason I'm this long right now.
Okay, this is good.
Maybe he's gone.
This is good. Sending it. One moment, please.
I'm not hating the gray charts, chat, actually. Maybe the gray can stay. Where's your stop, Degen? Oh, shit. Wick Sweeper, you caught me out. All right, fine. Here's a stop. Here's
a stop.
Stop is in.
Stop.
I need to put it a bit higher so you guys can see the P&L.
Let me just check something.
Marcos, hey Nixlin, do you know if the 5 account bundle is still valid, and what if I already have a growth eval? I can still get it, right? Limit of 5 is only for funded accounts, correct? Yes, you can only have 5 fundeds at once, but you can buy as many evals. The 5 account bundle is still valid. However, it is not valid for the growth, but it'll alert you if it's not valid for the account type you're buying. But I'm pretty sure it's just the growths.
A certain size of accounts.
Oh, it's the same
you'll
size.
see it on the website. Ooh, I almost knocked over my water bottle again. But only almost.
Yeah.
Yep.
Heart almost like failed right there. I hate that.
No. It wasn't as close as last time. Last time was
Okay.
crazy. Like last time the bottle was literally like this.
Oh.
Last time was bad.
Fractal Femme says hold for TP. It either wants to rally or run stops. Either way, target is good. All right, Fractal Femme. We hold. We hold.
We hold. Hold on. Hold on. What's your account size, Celine? Asks Cody.
150k growth.
Take it to them, says Nick Tater. What do you think of ketchup slices? I think it's absolutely fucking disgusting.
What is a ketchup slice?
Google it.
Wait, what?
Just Google ketchup slice. And then go to images.
Oh my. What
even
the hell?
even I say this is fucking looks fucking disgusting.
How does that work? Sliced ketchup proves a success? In what country is this?
I have no idea. Definitely not here. Market Maker Mario says, why do I feel like taking 20 minis on my personal just cause? Well, go for it, I guess. Jello says, I normally come to this stream to fade Nick. I know I will make money. Hey, you're welcome, sir.
Damn it, guys. That was a short setup. All right, but Zeb told me to long, so I...
Well, but you got to take your setups. You can close this trade. You're in profit. Close it and take your setup, no?
Okay.
I mean, just saying.
All right, I'm listening to everyone else today. That's what it looks like.
Not anymore now. This is your setup. Right?
Right.
That doesn't sound too convincing, to be honest.
All right. You know what we're going to do? We're going to sell. All right. This is a setup I actually would have taken. Okay.
All right, Market Maker Mario is short 20 minis. Are you yet?
416.
Pretty good size. Pretty good size.
All right, let's see. We'll just take the 1-to-1. We'll call it a day. But I took profit on the other trade.
Nice. Nice.
The other Degen trade.
Marcus says, must be Colleen on stream today. Celine will never listen to nobody to take trades.
Yeah, Colleen is definitely here today.
She's killing it.
What do you guys... Wait, where is Zeb? Zeb, what do we think of the shorts? By the way, I've never seen Zeb in here before. This might be his first day on stream, and yet he is conducting my trading.
Listening to a first timer? Are you serious?
I know, right? Not short for me. Damn it, Zeb. Where were you?
Zeb. Well, let's see. Let's see his channel activity. No, he's been here before.
Oh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He hasn't been here a lot though. He's been on 5 streams, or at least he commented on 5 streams.
Okay, so maybe he's a silent viewer.
He's one of the lurkers. Leia says the little one is asleep finally. Now I can focus. Asleep at 10:30 in the morning? The hell?
Yeah, she is a baby. Not Mateo. I think the other one.
Yeah, but still at 10:30 in the morning? It's a weird time to sleep.
I mean, it's a nap.
Yeah, but don't you usually like sleep at night and then take a nap during midday and then afternoon?
Don't ask me. I'm not a mother. Do not ask me.
Well, me neither. I will never be.
Are you sure?
A mother? Yeah. Very sure. You missed that one.
You never know these days.
No.
Marcos.
I know. It doesn't matter the days. I will never be a mother.
I'm trying to rage bait you, and it's working.
Never.
Marcos
Never.
says so. He's okay, Nick. Did you hear him? Chat?
Never.
One day Nick would be
Never.
a mother. Anyway, Marcos.
Never.
So it's today the day. Celine does what the chat says. No. Answer is no.
We need 25, 35, 43 more likes. 43 more likes, and we're going to do another giveaway. So, where's your stop, Celine?
So, no, I'll put a stop in. I'm just trying to see if people notice. The stop is going. The stop is going just above that previous 15-minute high in case it wants to come up and sweep. Actually, to be safer, I will put it above that previous day high level. 455. Give it some room. All right.
Shadow Mall. Well, maybe you win one today. Let's see. Ravid, how does the giveaway work? I'll explain it once it happens. Russell, if you lose your outlaw matchup, do you get fired? Yes. So after the Grand Cup, we'll only have one host for all the streams. Like this host has to do all the London streams, all the New York streams, everything. That's in the contract, actually. So it's basically win $200,000 or lose your job.
Oops.
Oh, and game night too, Abi. That's correct. Amir.
What and game night?
Amir, Nick, can you answer me, please? No. Stella's last one standing, yes. I'm kidding, Amir. Of course I can answer you, but ask me a better question. Russell says, no, we can't lose Mario Kart. Well, you're losing Mario Kart every week.
Russell, do better.
GD Garage on matchups, no drawdown. Yes, correct. Hey, game recognizes game, Russell. Appreciate you.
All right, can someone tell NQ just to drop a little bit here and before it keeps pumping? Just a little bit. Just a little bit.
Leonard says, don't worry, this time I'll be there to make Nick look like a beginner. Heard that one before. Mark, make Mario, you took a short on gold. Okay, let's see. Okay, nice. You took 20 minis on gold? That's pretty big.
What the hell? Huge.
How much did you end up making? Yeah, sorry. You said what?
Amir said, I wanted to write in my journal how long I've been watching Tradeify TV and I forgot. Would you be able to tell me? Thank you. Well, Amir, we can have a look at your channel activity and go like to the first time you ever commented, which could give you some...
we can't really.
Why?
We can't.
Why not?
Because you will not be able to see the date.
Let me see about that.
Unless the stream titles were different in the beginning. Because you won't see it.
Damn it. No, YouTube. Oh, no, I can see it. Just stretch it out. You can stretch out the chat. So the first I have unless it doesn't save all of your chats, but I've got your first comment at 16th of March, 2026. Amir, is this true?
Well, if YouTube says so, it's probably true, right?
Andrea, got you, Celine. NQ, drop it here a bit, please, and thank you. That's it, Andrea. Just got to tell NQ what to do.
Diddy Garage says, let's put it this way. Last cup I failed, but then had some issues and did not even reset. This time we'll be at least in the matchup, so be ready. Hey, we're looking forward to you. We're going to be waiting in round 2 for you.
Chad,
yeah,
yep, Celine's still trying to short. Sorry, girl.
And yes, Leah, we know what date you started watching Tradeify TV. 22nd of May, 2025.
The OG of the OGs.
Mm-hmm.
Going once is why NQ up so much, please? I don't know. NQ will do what NQ wants to do.
Well, yesterday at 1 p.m. we had 10-year Treasury news, and that's exactly when the market started pumping. So,
well, then of course. But
Mario
now,
King was Rips on the debut stream. He was our first guest, I think, but I don't think he was on the debut stream. How many views we got during the first stream, Marcos? We can actually check. During the first stream, we got. I'll let you know in a second. Well, let's actually pull it up on the screen here. Here we go. Bada bing, bada bong. Live, oldest. 14,000 views on the first stream.
damn.
Yeah, and then the third stream was with Rips.
14,000. Wait, how much did you say? 14,000
views overall.
That's
Yeah.
insane for the first
Yeah,
stream.
but if you think about it now, our New York streams get 14,000 views.
Yeah,
You know,
but that is a year
14,000.
later.
Yeah, but when something is new, it's completely different. If you then look at the numbers a bit later, right? It's like 4,000, 5,000, 2,000, 2,000, 4,000, 5,000, 4,000. Now it's consistently like 15, 14. So.
That is true.
Yep. Crazy.
We keep getting bigger and bigger here on Tradeify TV. It's insane.
Crazy.
We're
Pretty
coming
cool.
for that top spot. We really are.
Oh, yeah.
Brandon says,
yeah.
I remember watching last year because I didn't have a job. Lol, started working nights last May, so wasn't ever on the NY stream since. Oh, well, cool that you've been here from pretty much close to the beginning if you said you were watching last year at some point. Love that, Brandon. And now you're the claimed Mario Kart King. So you've come a long way with Tradeify TV. I love that.
Fuck. I'm sad, but I'm also on fire, ready for the next one.
DF changed it. Did Brett book his essays GP shorts? I'm sure he shaved some profits off there.
He better.
Sure. Wouldn't look so good now if he was still in those shorts.
Sorry, Trader. Celine needs to be on New York stream. We need that energy. Hey, I agree, but she doesn't want to.
I will be there, Trader. I would love to be there, but when I'm in the Europe time zone, I just can't now. You don't want to see me at 11:30 p.m. midnight. Like, I'm not the same. There is no energy there. That's Colleen, and Colleen has no energy.
Lol.
Oh, Stalia says, I think May 2025 I started following you also. There you go. That's another OG.
Hey. Fire. Who said that? Stelios. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I've seen Stelios before. Not that active, but seen you before.
Needed a Celine solo Asia stream. Look, it's going to be difficult. Gonna be
Well, if you're
difficult
in
from
Europe
Greece.
specifically.
Definitely. Yes, Mattel NY session in Australia sucks. There is no other way to put it. It's just rubbish.
It does. Amir says it's currently 1:40 a.m. in California and I'm watching y'all with full energy. Hell yeah, Amir. That's the spirit. That is
Cody
the spirit.
says, what is your risk in each trade in a 50k account, Celine? Well, at the moment, I'm trading 150k accounts. But yes, when I am trading 50k, I would be trading so that I have 10 trades. So around 200, 300, depends on the drawdown of the account size with the prop firm, but around 200, $300 per trade in a funded.
Really quick, chat. We need one more like to hit the giveaway target. Only one. We're at 717. 717. Yep.
Ami says it's currently 1:40 a.m. in California, and I'm watching y'all with full energy.
Hell yeah.
Let's go, Amir.
That's the spirit.
Take it.
Mo, that's a good one. It's not a prank. So you can just read it. It's fine.
You know what's weird? I can't see his comment. Oh, there it is. No, that is a good one. But no, I didn't think at all. Sometimes I'm like...
What? Pino saying just eat yogurt and protein, chocolate and orange. Disgusting. Was like the cat Nick shared. Ah, this one you mean.
It was like that. What? The photo.
My cat, yeah. Oh, I thought Roman would switch to my screen. Too late. That was the first time Roman missed something. That was the first time. Roman is the GOAT of paying attention, but this one he missed.
That's not like you, Roman.
Rage
Roman, you there?
He's gonna end the stream. He's gonna be like, "Ah, fuck you guys."
All right, did we smash that like goal?
We did. Absolutely, we did. So, chat, let's run another giveaway. All you got to do, here are the rules, okay? I explained this once. I'm already going to say, if you ask me how to participate in this giveaway, you will get super duper mega ultra giga hyper disqualified. So, don't ask me again after. If you want to participate in this giveaway, all you got to do is like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and once I send the link to the Google form, fill out that Google form, but only do it once. If you do it more than once, you will get disqualified. If you ask me in any way, shape, or form what the Google form is, where the Google form is, how the Google form is, what shape or form I am in, I will disqualify you. So, here you go.
Guys, don't even try it. We are seriously disqualifying people.
Yep.
So, don't even go there.
Nice, Marco Mega Mario.
Nice.
Let's see if you win. Yeah, Leah, I saw your comment before. I might do that, but it's also kind of fun, you know?
Yeah. Trading ready, B, where's the fork? You guys.
You're on thinner ice than thin ice.
The good news is we'll take a shorty at 5 NQ. All right, come and join me in these shorts. The good news, if you think we're gonna dump, I feel better. No, Matty. Matty. Has anyone ever been disqualified and actually had their name picked on the wheel? Lol. No. Once they're disqualified, they're out.
Yeah, Mikey D. I have nightmares about that, actually. A prank ceasefire, Mo? Is that what you want? Really? I don't trust you.
Yeah,
I do not trust
every
you.
time I see his name, I have to read 10 times over.
You brought this burden upon yourself, man. Sorry.
Market Maker Mario Sling, where is your target? Just a 1-to-1 here. Now
Wait.
don't believe in the bears as much now, Market Maker Mario. If you weren't here in the beginning of the stream, I missed TP by 2 ticks. So a 1-to-1 is good enough for me. What,
I
Nick?
just realized Marcos changed his name back.
Yeah, I already talked about this with him. You weren't here, I think. You just noticed?
No.
Yeah.
Marco.
It's a good day. It is a great day.
Marco.
No more of that shit. I'm pretty sure he's happy with it too, because...
Well, Marcos, if you change it back to Justice for Hannah, I'll give you 5 entries.
That's not fair for everyone else, Nick.
I'm kidding.
No. No dictatorship around here.
Yeah, okay, the hashtag does it. Hashtag does the trick.
Mo said, Nick, I blame Lulu. Bad influence. Where is Lulu?
Saturday. It's your birthday today? Actually?
How can we prove Saturday?
Saturday. Send me proof on Instagram. You have 1 minute.
Science said, who's Hannah? Who knows?
Saturday, if you send me proof on Instagram right now, within the next minute, I might do something for you. Mr. Terp says I have actually 2 birthdays.
Pushwalkie says, who's Hannah? Why are we only giving her justice? Wait, why are we giving her eyes?
She's Hannah Tater.
No, wait, that's actually funny. He read it as just ice for Hannah.
Nothing else, just eyes.
Why? Who is Hannah? Why are we giving her just eyes?
Aha. Saturday says joking, but thanks, Nick. See, I took it seriously, man.
Well, we appreciate that honesty, Saturday.
Well, I mean, he would have needed to prove it, so yeah, to be honest,
True.
at this point. But yeah, happy non-birthday then. All right, let's run the giveaway. Copying everybody over. Gotta first double check if there are stupid people in there. Nope, good. Good. Surprised. I'm actually surprised.
Good.
All right.
Let's hope it's a big giveaway. Like 150k lightning or something would be sick.
Ooh. I mean, Brett gave away 350k lightning funded account. 350k lightning funded yesterday. That was pretty big. That was pretty big. All right. Let's see. The winner of the second giveaway
TP hit
today is... Did you hit TP? Let's fucking go.
Yeah. Let's fucking go.
Well done, Celine. Well done.
We're getting NQ
Where's
back.
your money gone?
All right.
Where's your money gone? Where's your money gone?
You know what? It hasn't been working. Oh, there we go.
No money in the money gun. Gary Mack, you are the winner of this second giveaway of the day. Oh, are you though? Yes, you are. Okay. I have to double check if you entered twice. Gary, type something in the chat. Let's see you in the chat. There he is, says, yo. All right, Gary, let's see what you win. You either win a growth account, a select account, or a lightning funded account. Spinning, spinning, spinning for Gary.
Here we go.
Sir, get a 50k lightning, it looks like. Hey, nice. 50k lightning fund. Fuck yeah, man.
Let's go.
That's a good one. I won't let you gamble that one. That's too good. You're going to keep that one. So, Gary, all you got to do now is add your email address to your YouTube channel description and make sure it's the email address that you use to log into your Tradeify accounts. And you're going to receive a 50k lightning funded within the next 7 days. Fire. Absolutely fire.
Nice. Straight to the funded stage. Get that payout. Sick.
Kiss says that money gun sounds as faulty as Nick's treadmill. Yeah, you're not wrong. You're not wrong.
Why is your treadmill breaking down or something?
Oh yeah, like during the New York stream, whenever I start it up, it sounds like it's gonna explode on me. Like,
yeah, honestly, that money gun, I gotta look into it. I don't know.
Yeah.
See, now
Mine
it's
worked.
not even.
You want one money?
Yes, I want the money.
Oh, you got two money.
Yay! Money,
Congrats.
money, money.
See, what's the lesson in this, Celine? In this trade?
What?
What's the lesson?
All right, lesson is believe, zoom out, and inhale, exhale.
No.
Oh, we always do this. What's the lesson?
The lesson was, you see your setup, you take your setup.
Oh, yep. That one. That's the lesson, guys. See the setup. I got out of the trade when I said, this is when I'd like to be shorting usually. That's true. And I listened. Sorry, Zeb, but I had to. You're right, Nick.
There you go.
See your setup, take your setup.
Treasure AEP says, how do I join the giveaway? My friend, you get a 1 minute ban in the chat right now. 1 minute. No, actually,
Surely that's a troll.
10-second ban.
Edge EJK says, see the top, sell the top. For real. Sell at the highs.
Yeah.
Oh, Zeb. All right. Zeb was on board with that one. He said, for me, the retest and the double top was confirmation of the short. Let's go, Zeb. Zeb liked the shorts.
Yep. Also, all you people in the chat who say, oh, nice M on the chat, nice M on the chat. You clearly do not understand what the market is trying to tell you. Roman, go to my screen really quick.
Oh, go on, Nick. Yep.
This clearly is the Batman
It
pattern.
is.
Look, it aligns perfectly.
Perfectly.
Like straight to the eyebrows, back up
Look at that.
to the second ear thingy, right back down to the shoulder.
Look at that. Sells to Batman's shoulders every time. If you're not taking that, what are you doing?
Just saying.
It's goated. The Batman strat.
Bingo.
Oh, that's too good. Okay, guys. Fess up. Who took the short? Who took money on that trade? Let us know. Let us know.
The Gotham
No wonder
drop.
Bruce Wayne. No, someone said no wonder Bruce Wayne is loaded.
Yeah. Well.
John took it. Alnon, I did. I took the short after long. Oh, hell yeah, Market Maker Mario, you got in there after you profited on the way up and the way down. Let's go. AG trade is still short. Nice. Took the short. Balaji says second trade of Celine's always one. Well, how many trades did I take here? No, I think it was like the third or the fourth. Let's go, Kryptonia.
Nice. Austin says almost past 250k selects now. Nice.
Let's go. Let's
fire.
All right, Makamara. I'm completely tapped out of accounts now. I have nothing to trade for the day, so I'm over my daily profit now. I'll just sleep all day. That
looks
is
like you
such
need more
a
accounts.
good feeling. Oh, that
looks like you need more accounts. That's what it looks like. Yep. Yep. Also, by the way, chat, I have to go 5 minutes earlier today.
Oh,
so gotta drop out here and leave Celine alone for the rest of the stream, which
no.
maybe she'll do another giveaway. I don't know. Maybe.
Oh, what? I didn't have the spinner wheel.
I have no idea what she's got in store for you guys. So We'll see. But I gotta go.
You can't tell them that now. Oh God, chat. I don't have to spin the wheel. Okay.
I will see you. I'll see you in the New York stream at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. Actually, I'll be there at 9 a.m. And then, of course, tomorrow again at 8 a.m. UK time for me, but 7 a.m. UK time with Celine's solo hour. So Celine will stay on. I'll get the fuck out of here, and I'll see you later. Peace, yo.
Thanks, Nick. See you tomorrow. Get the Nictator out of here. All right, freedom at last. Woo! Everyone, W's in the chat for Nick, by the way, for killing it as usual with us in the London session. Make sure you're there for the New York session, but we still have a few minutes. And I'm sorry, but I don't have the giveaway rights. I don't have the wheel. All right, so we can't do a giveaway. But for the next 5 minutes, at least we're going to talk about. Maybe we can reflect on what the hell this session was. I mean, I'm glad I did take that stab at the long when I did, but I'm glad, like Nick said, that I did listen to my system of trading and take the short when I liked it. When the setup presented, I was there, and it paid. Sling give away 800 accounts from right now, says Ash. Look, Ash, I wish, but my job would be very much on the line if that was the case. Saturday, Sling, can you give 5 lightning accounts? Guys, you're asking for so much here. I swear, if I could, I would, but I don't have anything set up. I don't have the form. I don't have the wheel. All right. So it's a sad day. I wish. If I was prepared, I 100% would have. Next time Nick leaves early, we'll do a giveaway. I'll give away lightning accounts next time. I'll be prepared. Blame it on Colleen. Yeah, blame it on Colleen. Fractal Firm says, I love this stream now. Now? As in you didn't love it before, Fractal Firm? PvP Trader said, someone in Discord told me you do giveaways. Is that true? We do giveaways every single day. If you are new to Tradeify TV, let me tell you, every single day, every single session, we do giveaways. So make sure you're tuning in every single day. We have New York session up ahead in a couple hours, 8:30 a.m. Eastern. Make sure you're there. There will be multiple giveaways. Saturday says, can't wait for my Friday Mario Kart race. That's true. On Fridays, we play Mario Kart. And if you happen to beat Nick, you will receive a giveaway for that also. So it's not only a spin the wheel. On the Fridays, it gets interesting. So make sure you're there, especially for that race. Robot says she's going to double and pass to the next stream. Why not? You know what, guys? You can go into the New York stream and say Celine said double the accounts. Because I didn't have the spin the wheel ready. Celine, do you trade all sessions? No, definitely not. In Australia, I can trade the Asia and London session, although I haven't been trading Asia the past couple of weeks. I've just been super busy. My days have been full. But the New York session, no. It's just too late. Marcos, Celine, do you trade NY Open or is it too late from down there? Oh, I just said, yes, it's way too late from down here. It's just that, like, I could potentially do it, but I don't like to trade while I'm fatigued, and I just don't make the right decisions. So, I prefer to trade at normal hours of the day, and that for me is this time and the morning. And then by the time it gets like 10 p.m., I'm just way too fatigued to be making good decisions in the market. So I prefer not to. John says, why don't we play Fall Guys instead of Mario Kart so a lot of people can play? I don't know. I'm all for the Fall Guys, okay? I'm all for the Fall Guys. Now, guys, chat, we are almost just about done for the session today. So what a session it has been, I must say. I was expecting a deeper pullback here on NQ, but we pretty much just pumped that entire London session, almost cracking new all-time highs. So if that tells you anything, I think it's going to be a wild New York session today. So for those who are going to be trading the New York session, beware. The bulls are out. The bears are not so much out. So if you want to be on side with market, definitely be in the bulls if you can. But not going to say, we do have PPI data release later today, 8:30. So there will be some volume there, volume and volatility. Or maybe not, because CPI was kind of flat, kind of dead. So we'll see what we get with that red folder news. But other than that, thank you as usual for an amazing 3 hours. We love doing the London session. We love it all, no matter the trolls in the chat, no matter all of that. We love doing this. That's why we continue to grow here. Tradeify TV to the moon. 110K is the next subscriber goal. I think we're going to get there today. Why not? But other than that, appreciate you guys. Thanks for it all. Make sure you're there in the New York session. We will reveal new outlaws as well today. So make sure you're there to catch on who is the next reveal. And I will see you guys as usual, 7 a.m. for the Frankfurt Open tomorrow. Peace.